na pona fe apple ene abom mode etimi de nkwada ni kosku a mo bibimbo na fa namba na nkomodi de bia ene mpemfo ndi ebe ne aboa na ntotoye no ada yeso no etimi edi ama na bibia akoyi so etimi edi ama na senete ene no orwani HMA 0246 2 anase ma mehweda mi sisu 0246 270 221 0246 270 and at 0558 106348 0558 106348 eno ya number aposwa ye bo modern ajeso na bo mane makoye pa na wanya dodo na miamia bi wa orwani chema ebo na se timi aka be kweku Oche Company Limited orwani chema ko for Idia Eastern Region antimwa mo Eastern nyina mo fa kweku so number no 0243 329 414 0243 329 414 ne mboa mane manko yepa enfa emana fe KF Kinji Enterprise orwani so no HMA no motel so amiano yeboa na onso no wetimi agibi omo so namba no eye 026 3185 869 026 3185 869 and a 054 448 392 054 448 392 Manager Daniel our 21st clinic and overseas so obejibi Bekan supermarket sister sewa ebeboana onsa etimi akebi Mama Esther orwani chomo outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University ebuakwa ojibi PNC Ventures anomanje taxi station Osi Charity Hospital Janshube yabina na Sachi Enterprise no orwani chomo asafo abinchia Osi VIP car park ono so no yebuana ne madada di pretimi era mama ka etimi era chose Beltway era to your timi abana na wanye dumfie du wotwe uramu www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh urama ya bomodi a weekendi matches na ye komu no ena nyumreju UEFA Super Cup no yankoni yankonko chi adwene be chi adwen a ya momodi se weekendi no ye be receive the golden booking code no golden booking code ri ade amu ede anonso eden de manchemu ne simple ne se ena bomodi na urama o wakonya se select matches no area go so from 10 Ghana city e kokoramo 40 Ghana udia sika bebre se one this wa ye bom modi a sika na udi shemu no ye sande wade ma na mo twa 50 Ghana kwa udia wanya sika bebre na mo one dia 50 Ghana ne de nya de se no nyo bom modi na unsa etimi akantia no ye hwehwe ya ene Betway abom modi aba be rama bo ma ne ma da ye pa etimi ede ma na tatam so ye nko nsem ne mudia ye mfra ni enchemo the FIFA World Cup orwani echemo New Zealand ne Australia egusu ekoso ano edin ye papa ya semi-final match one on ra ama Spain man nya not na omo ekwa ramo the grand finale na omo abo edwumantini omo twen so Australia man ne England so ebetimi era bo ne 10 o'clock am na game no ejipini etimi atoya mun komo no ene nsema ne bobo etimi era ba no ene sa no pa ya England omo bas ne pa e babedu sero mo no tumuzampa na omo ni abriye papa omo re no mo ye nhwehwe ni ye na abo ma ma adeda ye pretimi era mo ezanze kwembi aso no omo peso omo ewura mu no omo ba e babebu edwuma nkakrakra no e bebo ma you to join on Sompa TV on Facebook na Orea who's the England for no boss neba baba bedu oni e no na ebo na hwehwe na da ye pa etimi era mo no more se game no on be jo mo na so no etimi apon aboa ama bibia ada ye kama pa so etimi era mo ntie no e ye nkoma no pe no ye bo modern na ye etimi e de ram na aboa na hwehwe no nya da ye so etimi era mo no fi ona rwani e kokochemu enso e wo Greece ni amade da dia nwumre no e wo Giorgio Kaki Stadium no ye bo modern na niamati no ngatimi adadin na niaman so etimi akoeni na ene se UEFA Super Cup no ene jepene etimi around 7 p.m. prepare Manchester City omunity me form Serbia ene bo modern etimi arabuani a e game no bread ye papa na of the game no Jose Pep Guardiola Sala adidi din commode di kan no odin commode for Kevin De Bruyne ho wa confirm etimi aramu se Kevin De Bruyne be niam no ene sere tutu no esia kwana nra ye we no so jan na so abo adwuma de Man City biem no e bread din na say hamstring injury na no e ha no komo no say na pimpa no e bo mo de ram
surgery, but will be a few months out. Yeah, it's serious danger. We have to decide if surgery, no surgery, but will be a few months out.
Etianu ya command prepare your friend Jose Pep Guardiola Salabo Madiere Tuja etimi Erifa Kevin De Bruyne wa yes hamstring no ne sere niam esi ekono betra fie be se 3 to 4 months emmo amane daddy soro emfa mom after no ero se trouble no mo winning the last season no enye enough emfa Manchester City also mo bomodin na trophy bia ombenya akwanya so moko akoko jam no omutimi awene na ebo amane madaye pa etimi ere mo no soro obomode di nkomo akra na nchemu a odi ewura mo mai no se no bomode etimi ere tuja
decide the surgery, no surgery, but well, in a few months you can be, serious danger. You have to decide the surgery, no surgery, but will be a few months to win. Of course, very serious danger.
All right, you heard that Japan Montina, Jerona Pomanema Day, Pretimera Montino, or Timia did in Commerce, also Morena, or more a year, Jumani in a Poman to Tianosono, a day come Pretimera Momoneboa, Nashano Coyer Montino, and command Jose Pep Guardiola, Apomodia Timera to Jayan Fionebra, and Mamedi Common, Romeo Lavia, and name Medica Breaker Mano Panas or Babana, Wababi Remnan Medicano, Waba Timi Ababe and Anima Dayepa, Etimiera Momana, Romeo Lavia, no Comono, and then Sama Neboy Timiareba, report to no HSA Bibia, Editana Kwama Natchez Nino, Obomodia Berse, 11 o'clock a.m. UK time, no Baba, Ababe Ramo, and so Ewo England, na Wapo Modena America, Etimia Cosun Chemuria Simple, yes, and Ano Joda, Dioneshas, yes, Ebo Bedebaro, or Fimo England, Echo Kurama Brussels, Natchez, Belgium, Patamo, Baby Ofino, or Coco Jena, Omeka Cretiano Peno, Berse, 11 o'clock a.m. UK time, no better down, and so England, Obano, or Baba Benny Medica, Nanema Dedia, West sign a contract, no, Etimiera Machos, you already Macandi, I chose 7+1 and all, and the Jobo Modena, where Timia signing up Boman to Tiana Koyepa, Etimiera Momoyasu Benya, or Cinco Renumus or Bear Ready na weekend, you know, game a Chelsea in the West Ham United, Baba, Ababa Bessie, you know, where Jama Boama Nema Koyepa, Etimiera Martino, Namo Flamenco, and Coco Romo Chelsea, your official store, no pay, Mount Moises Caicedo, Jesse number 25, Sarah Tintiano, or Mobna Pomodia Shasia, ni Jesse, no, or more Elton Tony, or Mujis signing, or more Ecocofano, Etimiera Field, Brighton, Nova Biono, a Juma Wababa, Diamono, a dear Besson, Bomanema Dayepa, Etimiera Moment to Chelsea, official store, no, or Masha Tony Jesse, no, a Jesse number 25, Fernandino, or 5 year Rena Boman to Tiano, at the year, so no, Etimiera Mana Gilbo, Agban Laho, and I know the did come on, and what talk sports, so no, dear to say, after month day one, no, review access, you know, what Transia who said this season, no, a bird in Manchester United and Liverpool, Ebetimera on the top four, no, so on the top four, no, or did this Man City Beba, Arsenal Beba, Newcastle United, and Chelsea, or Money teams are Fino, or more Ebo Modem, Namekito for Nonabwa, Nanema Day, so Etimiera na Camille says Spanish players, no, or more aquatic, Nanra, yet to Adimsa Kepa, Abomode Etimi Adjoni or Montomazene, who players a Wakwenya Sombeko, Aquacobo, Jumerama, the Spanish national team now, or Moya Mako, and so on, and Munyam Shekesiako, Netimerama Club, no, and Tinenurema, your Kepa Ariza Balaga, you'll be to say Nacho, Frank Garcia, you'll be to say Denis Ceballos, Brahim Diaz, and Anfe Joselu Mato, and Tomunano, Nancy Spanish players are nay, or Mujama Mubujuma, Etimerama Club, year from Real Madrid, Monfami Rome or Body Bebas, now Meham number 1 Kaka, Nina Kepa, Nobako Fichos, are joining Madrid Bobo Conilona, Oba Nababe Juma, weekend, Madrid Judy Ameria, and a bit Miera Bwenin, and the first training, no Etimia Koso, or I'm number 1, Zero Sida Post in Niamano, and it saves no NHS and Pa, why you ready a weekend, you know. Obana, Wababe Jamabu, Jamabuama Koyepa, Etimi Erama Klaba, ye from Real Madrid, Tiano, Edia Bababe Rama Munkomono, Edi Erama Buana Shishana de Yuso, Etimi Ediama Neno, Merobe Kojama Son Tentem Kakana, Yarani Etimia Bobo, so ana transfers, no, Yenun Koma Senete, or Wanichemo Sebia, or Masuya Diomo right back, Nidino, ye friend Marcus Acuna, report natures and net Wabomode, Etimiane Aston Villa Bobokono, Akobin Kroma, personal terms, no more agree, contract in 3 years. Ene Marcus Acuna, Eren Muso Beba, Nababe Jamabujma, Etimi Ede Ama Aston Villa Chemuno, Elchese Diakane Sevilla Fono, Ebomo de no Moni Sebia, Etimi Edin Commons already no Sebia, Aqua Ramo Grisa, Omwe Seju UEFA Super Cup, no, and to Tiabe de Diera Momona Yumino, and Shishana Koyera Momunti after no, and Comodiano, Eya Diabetimi Atuato, Sona no Peno, and I metete to say Alna Sabobo Kono, Eddie Ofaba, Nababe Ramo Manchester City, and a Bayano, Americ Laporte, and so no, akwa Ramo Saudi na wakwa koto aso etimi abodwuma omo se omo age etimi area atumo ama de aka ne enkomodidi a ebetimi ram na boama ne mada yepa etimi era ma boy no na munkomo no ene ese sa deal we no se bibia dedama anwe Manchester United defender buy ni mufti Al Nassr no ya de a nyamba so United so no come here after so mo ye signings out no mo players no bi mo ya abo mo so ni nyina ne se niam share de da ye na buy de no omo so mo gidi sese ne no Laporte ba na ba be rama omo fa buy anya de se no so no etime ye tie no so yankoma ba etime aba be ramo ahila so na no panameto kakra etime de ma se Morocco goalkeeper ye friend Yashimbo no enso no na join omo na bono nkomo no ene ye se niam de da na kwama total package no ebe 21 million euros eko etime rama Sebia a 3 years contract no be sign after Super Cup no obe Ramo Saudi no akọ etime akọ ene juma no aboa amane ma de da di so etime era mama na mama me friend Dimitri Payet na Payet so no no resere niam esi akwa na cheso no ne former player de Olympic Marseille na ne o join Vasco da Gama no no to France patamo and purpose at 5 o'clock am mantie kakra Vasco da Gama fans no deda omode ba be hia Payet no enya de keto akra. Brazil team aje from Vasco da Gama na no mo se paye beba ababa be ramo me kra no e no mo ashase eye deda o mo giri se bibia dana kwa mo kama pa etimiere mano na oba no o ye keep lo bebo mo no mo djuma no mo ye no ne ma deda yeso etimiere mo mo wani chemo West Ham United o maso ya Lucas Paqueta report ya boy etimiere Manchester the next 24 and 48 hours on official bid besiako e kwa ramo na if Manchester United o maso ya no mo de ko ni na so mo giri se Lucas Paqueta baba be join obeboa na adwuma no mo ye no ne ma da yeso etimiere mo ma no pa no me to ani se Hakim Ziyech so no na PSG for na ba mo no Chelsea didi dinkomo se nkomra ma me join o mo loan na fe next summer no ye rese deal no se betimiere permanent no jana na so abo adwuma etimiere mo ma na no pe no ye se Galatasaray for na ro mo no Chelsea etimia ko benkroma enche Hak England nani achema wo take no mo so no akwa ni medical no pass ya o join Galatasaray boboko no ne mo etimia abo adwuma na Manchester United any Magua nkomo no na me break here ma sa de na chiagu ni nyina nse Magua betra na wabo adwuma etimiera ma Manchester United na se report bi a eboba de ba se Magua and West Ham United for bomodi agree personal terms no yes enya no kre eno ni David Moyes ni nkomo bi a ogiri se bebi edu no e wo so tra na okonkone wese niam ededa de obomodi na ne position no wase nya ne back na boama ne ma da yepa etimiera ma na United aso e wa bi no era metete se Dean Henderson omozi Aaron Henderson so club no enya entono enchemuri yetiawa yesin dey no David Yeko omo first goalkeeper no Andre Onana no muni se Tom Hitton o ha obo adwumere amamo na Tom Hitton so na akwa kopra enti for na me babe Roma ye di Aram kama soro etimiara ma Inter Milan fo asia ba Chelsea o ze no mu bisa se Trevor Chalobah se kwan da ho a ye mbo modern na ye nja no mbra ne ma me join omo ezanso omo ka komani no omo so no na e defender oba babe Roma be boa ma bibia akoye kama soro etimiara mo ma no pe ya no oro ni chemo ye show mo maso ya ayo official omo anka so omo former player a friend Leandro Paredes so beke ya Paredes bu adwuma ne de ma Roma season 2014-15 no ba loan and 15-17 no ojana na so ye adwuma ne de mo edidi ma no ko ekoko Ramos in St Petersburg obabe Ramo PSG a ene okọ ye no wase aba ababe Ramo bo ma ne makoye peramantu join ya na wo video na we confirmation a omo di Ram se wa join omo yes deal no omo atwa 2 million euros a adon so no ebebe se 2.5 million euros a ebetimi Ram after no se net contract bi aba no kwa na chese PSG for no e wo mu 30% say ye ton na ye research kan be ma Roma na boa ama ne makoyera mama na fe wa sign until 2026 so ye na nhyehyɛ no akoyera mama after so sign ye no odi nkomo akra nyosi nani age na say e no bo mo de ne nsɛm no etuja
a mandarmi un messaggio a dirmi che per lui sarebbe un piacere che io metto quella maglia lì. Per me sarà un onore, ho un grandissimo rispetto, sono sempre grato a lui per come mi ha trattato non solo dentro il campo sino anche fuori, quindi approfitto anche per ringraziare.
Kratialu ya command ne would wani echema na chese Leandro Paredes abomode etimi edi atuja ni na boamane makoye pa etimi eramantiers and nesono ombomode na Renato Sanchez ne de no etimi ewram na boama bibia akoye kama pa so etimi erama air show man no ye de aba beto Yesim la metete se ne omo player ye friend Krunikin so no abomode ne Fanabachi for no agree personal terms a 4 years contract no aje neria tum so bana wa baba be jam no boama ne makoye pa etimi erama Fanabachi tidiaka ene so mo ne Milan Boboko no ebedi nkoma na fe Radi Krunic chaba ababe join omo ne omo so no etimi abo ejuma Taramospe omo former goalkeeper friend Hugo Lloris so no per report ne chese on SS Lazio edidi di nkoma akwani mu ye pa eduzo Hugo Lloris e ko da kwakoda podumo edi ama Lazio amane yon abere so Roma Saudi Arabia teams ni bi enam echa omo gidi se so munya na obeba ba be boana mane ma ko ye pa etimi edi ama omo na no ena komia baba be story bi ede man say Udinese Casio wo midfielder bi ani di no ye friend Lazar Samizic na Samizic no nanka wo so ba neba be join Inter wa baba be share Milan Portemo edidi di komanda hotel ni bia adidi di ana wo rese de ma esi akwa esi deal Nigeria gu ne yanse Milan for ne Chelsea Stefano Sense ye be ma na tena enti no mo bo mo de jiwe no tuma omo jiri se mo amane man koye kra etimi amfa matim ni tun komo no omo Chelsea nei no e wo so mo re na deal no omo timi atwa so nti o se zama ze Chelsea anko ekoko ram ko bo ejuma etimi edema Udinese kachi obobo korutia no e de aba ne aba be rama e no so me de eto aso etimi edama na ba mo nchimo maso ya no yesi wa dwen so pe Benjamin Pavard no omema na kone simple ba ukrabe se 50 million euros e no na esko mbe so mansana Benjamin Pavard ya manaba aba be jono no soro etimi aye ejuma ntia no e ban no maso ya de abobo etimi edeba na ban na gusu reso mo sabe kan goalkeeper bia obeba ba be ejuma edama menya ntia ze yesi Thomas Tuchel abomodia for no ankasa ni phone afre ene Manchester City omo second goalkeeper friend Stefan Ortega Zortega mrana no mama join no ni ejuma so frɛ no Ogadia Zortega won Manchester City won awon your goalkeeper bi friend Ederson akwa no mpra obeda post no musa go no nya bi nda baroba ha obaba modern ahase enim da amano no ya beba ntije pene na bra be ram na ne ye etimi ambo ejuma etiase Ortega nkomodidie no eya ade a etimi ram na report no so Sanchez omoni David here enso didi nkoma nyesi ne die amom green light no zo beba na waba be ejuma no etimi era amom esanse sere niam nesi ekono ene hyehyɛ ne esi etie no free agent ojiri so nya baby esha ebeboa man game no niam akoye pa etimi era man tie se de aka no personal terms e be ram na boa ama bibi akoye so etimi era amom Liverpool still egu so permit for the sebeba aba be ejuma era amom no pe no ye da so ya omo si nisa brantia ye friend Kafra Turam no ene report ne chese omo ni ase abre omo ewram omo san pen so mbra ama me johnny omo ni omo etimi ambo ejuma nyon no ko Ryan Gravenberch no so bo ejuma etimi ede ema ban no ono so ni din aba nya ba be roma ere omo jiri se Gravenberch so ba e baba be johnny omo a e be boa ma ne ma koye pa etimi ede ama Liverpool ntia no enkomodidi abobo etimi ede ba ano edin e papa na Chelsea na minya ntie za ye dan ya Moses Caicedo ba Romeo Lavia never je penena wetimi a johnny omo to omo midfielder so no e was ba kokko no mo ya sen no ye se akwawe so a ye friend Andre Santos no ono di omo ebe maintain no mo jiri se na ejuma no ye ne niam no di ram no tena ebe boa ma ne ma koye pa etimi era matin namom no Kanichuku Emeka se ne no offer biba eba be ram na loan di on be consider na ya ma Kanichuku Emeka so no nyako akwa kobolo na mrese no wa baba be join omo ne omo so no etimi aye ejuma na boa ma ne ma koye pa etimi era momo Nottingham Forest so no metete se no mo de bid aba aba be ram Arsenal ma so ne ye penu no Tavares so mra ne ma me join omo ene omo mbo ejuma se no Tavares eko kobolo na de Olympic ma so okoye no okoko ye ejuma pa ne Nottingham Forest for na bomo de bid aba be ram se Arsenal for ninja no mbra Emma me journey omona emma to end the soro etimi emfa momona Ramo Juve o maso so a Philip Kostic soro metete te se asi netim bi ebo mode ebede around say 50 million euros ombe jama Philip Kostic akọ ni na so mujiri se omuhia sika e wo so mo hwena nyomode ba eba be Ramo team na so ye na ebo man to no ekoye kama pa etimi era momona nan komodidi bi be koso abitin pempe friend Jorge Mendes and afi Manchester City pem for bi ni na ene se João Cancelo o jiri se se ne grant no de ne ba eba be wram no obebo adwuma etimi ere ma Barcelona nti yeze ne obebo mode no ne Manchester City mpemfo no etimi adidi di nkomodidi no ewie pe obrese bibia edida ma João Cancelo beba na waba be jama bo adwuma bo amane makoye pa etimi ere ma club ye from Barcelona na Barcelona nkomodidi no ene yese Atletico Madrid president ye friend Gil Mari na pomoden akwa koshia ho Mendes no ni super agency no enkomo ewram no efa Ansumani Fati ho oso obisa ne se Ansu Fati so jiri ze ne nyomo brede for na bibibia be de diama boy na ba be join omo ana yese no ye nkomodidi etimi akoso between Atletico Madrid omo president no any super agent ye friend Jorge Mendes ti san nkomodidi no ya ade am ne ewram na boa amane makoye pa etimi ere mo na Chelsea so ne Michael Olise nkomo no bebi akwakodu na no ye den kakra no ye ka de Chelsea for na your margin so mbabo modena ne Willis Cross no mo atrega yese na Crystal Palace for na pipeline ni na ene so mo so mo jide pass Chelsea for machi ene omo defede fa akra no so mbra ne ne omo emama meye adwuma no mo jide se football mra mu no ye nhada nya ade ne sa nti omo no ayo margin se boy no kra no omo ane kan ye na so no omo enton no e de ezi amana kwakwanchi wa show kakra na so ni ya mo no report ne Chelsea boy ne de no ne Chelsea for no agree personal terms na Chelsea for no so no e wo jide se sere ne ma esi akono omo pushi adomo ebenya Michael Olise no aba be journey omo ne omo etimi aye adwuma nti de metete kra se deal no encho omo airport modena omo etimi a confirm no official na aboa na ne ma de da ye pa etimi edi amo mo nti no ye de aba be rama me di ramo etimi era ma na Shadi Catilari na me ba be catch us no be ramo e wa Atlanta ro akwa ne medical no uzo fimo club Brugge ba e ba be ramo AC Milan no bre no as a kono mo ye dempa etimi edi ama brand no na enkomodidie ne nsema bo etimi era ba no e chese Shadi Catilari no pe ya wo rama Atlanta obo modena so ne medical no wetimi akwa bibibia edidama no journey omo no ne omo apo adwuma na boa ma hyehyero akoyie kama pa so etimi era ma no tie no ye nkoma aba be rama no pe no ye bo modena yetimi edi ramo so ro etimi edi amanti yem ready ti no ye rena ma no ne nsem ne mpem ne yanko transfer man ba nya ba be ram na de akebia wetimi edi ato aso kama so ro etimi edi amanti la ke rena birthday special en ramu kakra na ye mbobo so ansa na de akebia ro de be yafo aba na aba beto aso etimi edi amanti yere na birthday special nemra yemre ramana yendidi dun komo so happy birthday nkwefa ma Kizito ne deputy PR red ma Monsieur Ebusua abonto adwas minia mejiri zenne bibi o ID pandi niama de da yie pa nyame hia na Kizito omwana onye wakoma so ade ntimi emfa ma yere the other ones no na yanku anim na ne amande di mami fosua orwani HM ewo brekuma hora mami fosua ye adwuma was Sky Phones brekuma station ne DJ Kama na jezo no ane kiskino no o se ne wram kama pa emfa ma fosua na ne amande da yesoro entimi emfa ema ye ready other ones no na jeze policeman ye friend Vochie Emmanuel na jeze ne so ye policeman so no na woda na policeman na akwa yoda no yeze wankasa uye adwuma na vrongo ena unia Gatuso Bernard ono se police officer Okibi ono na si ewram entimi enfama so ima happy birthday nko entimi enfama bi nko na entimi enfama akwada reso a ye frene animonyam adwoa yeboa asiama na owo Standard School of Royal Kids e osunyane na miami nu akwa mi oben ne ba no ndi emze wunyi no emfa papa suba bi wo papa de ne ma waye no ehutan edi emfa papa obi suban na adwoa yeboa aha oben ba ni fa ayinante na emboa ma ne man koye pe fa mi ze de aka bi ade echi na meka na bi nko emfama Anita echa na so ye na woda happy birthday ewram kama pe emfama Anita na nyame Asia papa na bi so nko emfama Georgina Enima Oche do na frene Mama G so no ne ya Mama G da na emeza Mama G enso eyo posi ni orwani na chemo enso ya wanyinam dosi hono wa obo adwuma nti wa wadamfo a ye friend Felix Nana Kweju ono se police officer orwani chemo na vrongo se enko entimi emfama na nyame Asia papa na bibia endeda dina special one nko emfama Gloria Koko New Swami Division Park Nana JC Kapa na jaze champion baba okoso ame ya na J ni fiera bano no so Gloria Koko happy birthday ewram fama na nyame Asia papa no mbwa na ne manko yefa ntimi emfama na J White John Hughes ereso onso awoda opapa ese nyame Asia bia papa na omwa na ne man da yeso no entimi emfama na ntoto ye no so no entimi da di timinim za akwa de apem na yenko yenim ne ehwe sere ne ma ne siatie ne di ewura man ti mameko Michael Akomia Jamfi Akomia twamitum na me reza me de dama na ne man de di na yenko na bibia anyi we ya check wayi no na yenko check na yenko check ne yenko I'm them. Transfer man, Bibi Aboko there.
Oh, Nyame adom ahwe ni experience.
There's a place na bobo so.
Yes.
We inquire.
Oh, of course. You see, the toaso near Juju Adrena and eze a jay de atoaso. Na Bibi etimi akọ. Is it the akwa eze e pamono cross there be. Metna. O pamono cross. Oh, me nko. Oh, metna sis kana so. It's going to be a very difficult terrain for Obi Biwa so Manchester United looking at the mess Eduardo Marcos or club name. A bad name. But Abu, now me interested in a story be Audi Kaya about Jack Cancelo.
Yeah.
Say on the Manchester City bedding como. No matter come before so bit ma sort out issue ni na man ayede. Amana few Abu the biggest challenger Barcelona FAC with this particular kind of deal no. Ejina the offer mo dey akwa to Manchester City and me kra no. Amona the loan with an obligation to buy. Now obligation to buy no sikasem no na Manchester City hwedi a opese otoja Cancelo for 15 million euros after so abolo na wi Manchester City so hwe sika na mo ni say o from the do Cancelo de ka de be 20 to 25 campo bana de adults kan wa kebe de kebe so mbo de amomo na no na Barcelona for na to de amabo no omo na ho de ni gina se boy na na adwe say omo Manchester City biem ana boy na ni Pep Guardiola ntem no nyoma nse da end da di yin emfa mo it was a piache boy no. Some boy na finding the way. No munu ko mbefa so aside scan na offer na that table no so no. Manchester City be dey. Ebe compromise. Say anya 15 ni kwa no meba in 15 baby na some be agree a. No ma agree no aba. It Basa stepping aside as not stepping aside say on pe boy no. Menkasa. But Basa atwe no agina nche say boy na nkasa ni City. And sort out that particular issue ni wie. No mundili na de ebe koso bia na koso yes can involve no Man City here from the door it Abu Dhabi on person here no mo correct no na eno na eba bepiem wo Harry Maguire situation no eno a ye di kan be ka say West Ham pushing Manchester United say be Manchester United be dey ebe ki come ho ana but the Korea say the personal terms between West Ham and Harry Maguire akra na Abu Dhabi omo ntimi ma na CP na pay off no de etie nie Harry Maguire eje 190,000 pounds a week on Manchester United Ana West Ham here imagine so me offer 100,000 pounds a week e wo ho. Na ono na ano na ono ankasa nhede nsi na dream piece ono ankasa pese okọ West Ham ekosi akai because who ni say oda so your top player ne egos no sanete e na di ni si wo. Na kan 2 years ne contract be wu 2025 for Manchester United. It is 90,000 na ba beto so no. Manchester United needs a compromise on it for bare 1 year na bare 10 months. Ana no money maker. Sanko onye says kanana nko no nya honko na se onko je 100,000 ne yedai e wo West Ham na no mo kan ya ma ne kosi na onua so ndo no ko beje 10 million pounds ana Manchester United say betima ma 7 million pounds in that particular 2 years na aka no ye fa ne say 90,000 ne kwa na ye me too halfway because you can say multiply 90,000 by 24 months automatically we don't even multiply by 24 months a couple and 1 year contract you can do with it and on naka say at least 1 year na aka no won say no onye dey on fanko but Harry Maguire baby odina na adwen so better so dey about 1 year ne say 2 years na aka no 1 year Manchester United calculate for 12 months no mo fa 90,000 ne ma no ana Manchester United so hu ni say 90,000 is oye ne 10 kra na 9 million pounds enti o mo te so na ba be 7 million pounds Harry Maguire anye na nkonko na Harry Maguire so say ska no wo fam na akoye kone bra West Ham so sika no kra no so no eno so mu nhede nyina yi ama brand no betina next season so onu hu no say next season obenya more games abodi ama Manchester United nyina say ohwemu a player bit say Rafa Varane normally is not fit but when it comes to these particular things at Manchester United no or a fit choice center back assistants because Victor Lindelof and Luke Shaw ebe deputize Lisandro Martinez Lindelof ebe deputize Rafael Varane in this particular setup unless a player bit say Malathia injury no one chen then Luke Shaw this be no come push Diego Dalot and na collect back it's Harry Maguire position in the club no we are yet to see how obesity a copy with such instance. The fans don't want him, the manager didn't want him. On one hand, I doing so better now. So as to how Obetima manage the atmosphere and everything in the club, no, it depends on him. Itabu Maguire is staying. Then we move on. Now Harry Maguire no Uncle West Ham na Abu Dhabi. West Ham any abrace omo pema vrapano so amana ba bisi akan dia momo. Ono ena na no pe omo ni di nkomo e wo Stuttgart. Se bibia be chisi na ba bisi akan. Amani omo akoye. By 11 a.m. there is going to be a flight from Brussels to London. Romeo Lavia by 11 a.m. Abu dia metete fa Romeo Lavia si kasam wo Chelsea no. Abu, I say Chelsea for now a very good business.
Sanet here. Family room kakra dey kasam
say Romeo Lavia in a year no, the salary no ba Chelsea no, 1.3 million pounds
a year.
A year.
Come out na Saram to honor and ni sika asem no wo fom pa. Because of baby ofi.
Because of baby ofi ba no. And Osha 108,000 anakakra guso for a month. Which means boy Nankasa no onje more than 30,000 pounds a month a week. E Chelsea. And Chelsea amana ya aware say enya sad no no obeje no in the 7+1 year contract no. The more oboko nanim no. Na the more askani bi be dey. Ebeka wo. It is ready to come to Chelsea and this is one particular part of the business at Chelsea. Yeah. I'm so impressed. And Abu, this is a scoop. And I believe say and then by 11 a.m. flight from Brussels. Eba be lande, ewa lande na. Oya medicals new year. Chelsea be the official announcement. Say omatimi asani Romeo Lavia. Na sika semne de edida ye di mano pa. Na no na Manchester City Jeremy Doku. The etin and no pay personal terms have been agreed between Manchester City and Jeremy Doku for 5 years. Na Abu oma agree personal terms no. City fa asiye di eko presente 42 million euros. Ede ma Rene. Ana Rene for na catch say 42 million euros there from kra. Omunye. It omu first cano enko no mu samre biem. Omu hwenim say City next score the beba no ebe around 50 million euros for Jeremy Doku. No magic, no more brand ko. West Ham ayo madwin so betia si echi. Omu na ayo madwin say they will pay more than 50 million euros for Jeremy Doku. West Ham United. They are ready to pay more than 50 million euros for Jeremy Doku. But boy na catch West Ham say areba koye Liverpool, Caicedo, Chelsea dey bi no. Utieska. Na so enyo no na me dey. Me Manchester City. The boy is ready. Na nipa o share kira wo push sa de no. Nipa ba ko Kevin De Bruyne.
Ono na share chu push.
Oya no friend Jeremy Doku.
We ni krom ni.
Ni krom ni.
Ba o me am za Ghana so ye do so be John pa. Na Romeo Lavia so ye Ghana.
Romeo Lavia so ye Ghana.
Na Jeremy Doku. We dey democratic ya.
What say ya no we say yes. It omo na meche na Abu Laporte there em say wanya kwa anesa. E kwa kopiem say de odi kan kai wa ana say but there's this particular story am person hwe ni din. Michael Olise. Oh yes, sir. Crystal Palace for the bofu. The attorney say, "Ye tie ye power ha." Chelsea for the fair chiri. Any boy need dim komo pa deep. Ana boy na nkasa no wa free Chelsea Academy ho some time paying. So omunim the family ni ye pa, they are very close. Omudim komo na boy ni bi omo asem kakra bi aka cho omo say, "Me contract ni kwa masan wo ba bi a bibi tare onom say, eduru me bi say na mo the 35 million pounds bi ba." I was a Crystal Palace to me gino mu jai me na me ye dey. Na me ko. Na Crystal Palace etis asem no omo no bo afu say as a Chelsea fa continue ase ada boy na ma boy na bie nioma bi so ayedai atro mo kanya san kasika sem we die kan ko fa asem ya but Chelsea fo no call Crystal Palace no omo anko no say ko negotiate o omo ko na omo say ye no abrante say ni say adi nkomo ye di nkomo ni wie no say an ye hu say o contract ni o contract agency ni edi nkomo no it ye discanaba monye na de se fata bia say wo say ye fa ho bia na ye na boy ne besi akama ye ana Crystal Palace ko paye. But no kura woman here say intokwa ekoso between Crystal Palace and Pennyfo bi any Chelsea Pennyfo bi MP abonten ye free company bi Aris Management Group omo investment company na sa investment company no omo 40% stake e Crystal Palace mu na recently ya ana Aris company for Pennyfo na dia tum say omo person omo diska ko Chelsea bu in England ye omre bi say untimi nya investment or one club mu aska so kaka na san fan kwa another club mu abre specifically we go South London na we so West London omo pesa iti eba sana this oja ba akoto ho na ba ye ba akono na na sisi ana Aris Management Group for na ready so ombe jai Crystal Palace ato 40% no na omo diska na kwa Chelsea ni dey tia Chelsea so ani abre ehia so me raise an investment no it's not about omo players no omo to no omo raise investment because also mo refurbish omo stadium no mo use it right now in Stamford Bridge na mo ankasa sa so pebu ba bifu fro no mo koye na mo sa so hwe mo training grounds wo dwumade nyina na mo ye e wo koba na mo sesa neoma ehia an investment not less than 500 million pounds. It's Crystal Palace for no hwe ade a Chelsea for no ye na ebufuo ni nyina afiri se mo kra nipa ono 40% stake we mu kra page ho aba eno kra na yaso mu nwe mo tete ye ye player so egitumi ye sanke ma ne tena ya ke benya bo bi be 50 million na 60 na 70 that
Sompa Sports
eno so amako rewrem di 35 ba intebufuo ni nyina no
etokwa ni nyina no as a winner bro said a confusion
bro said the city dream
tokwa no wechi
okwan no wechiri
oh okay
it tokwa ni nyina ne nam say chi on de ba olisi ama Crystal Palace aya aware so be movie it's Crystal Palace we need to sit down with Chelsea and make sure Ariana Kwakoye Nicolas Zassi pay a little bit above that release clause no. Then you have your man Hakim Ziyech Galatasaray wa travel local Chelsea have no problem in terms of agreeing with Galatasaray. The biggest issue here say obe passing medical ana yehu ana said the ekosi yehu Paris Saint-Germain the ekosi all Chelsea hope for ni say obetimi a passing the medicals no akosi akadia Lawrence Hall Newcastle abori Chelsea na no pay aso mo pa branti we so be see aka farm currently ni na kono nanka Newcastle pen for that particular left back position omudi to me say Dan Ben e dey cover Champions League and double league no ahwe mwaye na Lawrence Hall deal no say let omo currently the enti amaso no say Arsenal permanent transfer ana Newcastle so wuni say for FFP constraint inti no komu penilo na Arsenal say debi it Lawrence Hall no ana maba Chelsea wa no pay e dey propose abeto Chelsea penifo nim say ke hia branch Chelsea hwe say omo de ne be ma Newcastle loan no akwakosi aka but Domenico Berardi deal no so ye quite bibi kakra the attorney said Domenico Berardi no Sassuolo for 25 million euros 25 million euros no masaka che Juventus nim say Muniska it the be ya abo amone say loan with an obligation to buy at the end of the season na no kra no mon sanfa between Sule any island ebu ba akonya dey enka fa no mra na leverage deal no na we are story be about Philip Kostic
yes
the enti omo pesa Philip Kostic ekono so omo to Domenico Berardi Allegra na do so best send formation from 352 to 343
yes
he wants an upfront of Berardi Chiesa and Vlahovic on pe Berardi ni Vlahovic ana Moises Skin ana se Timoria there be on pesa de no 343 sa 343 ne basa na Kostic won be kaka buko pe Kostic in more advanced areas yes. In terms of attacking not necessarily about defending it already mu say ne wing back no be bo ne de kan de 343 ne basa na wo nya akonya mfa nko ani mu bebre you become a liability especially defending e basa Kostic position ni nipa obebo ho no ye be hane kakra ti ama Kostic ehu ni say so no so kwa e betimi aboa ba Berardi di no mo ka so mu hia island de Abuja bi Allegri kwotena se adwen wan we say na as small boy so ball last season no unya akwakoye issue so Juventus will sit down with Sassuolo and again to make sure Mitrovic 47 million pounds Fulham ayo madwen so be accept it ono so ebeko Al Hilal no akwakosi akande amamo already we spoken about Bonu 20 million euros is going and after their game with Manchester City no bibia be the dadin Marcos Acuna Aston Villa wants to sign him in place of Lucas Digna Saudi Arabia no so aba ho a almost person of Acuna relèche the moment to play under Unai Emery again and making sure so betima wakopiem awakosi akande ama Aston Villa in the English Premier League Nuno Tavares anopaya Abu Dhabi Nottingham Forest the bid aba former proposal omo de abeto Arsenal nim say yepe Nuno Tavares Mufa Nuno Tavares e man omo the left back ma Arsenal nyan reply omo by the close of the day they are hoping say Arsenal will reply them Baleba when the replacement for Moises Caicedo Abu way the kind of talent and quality ekutano no don't be surprised omo the 17 million euros plus 3 million euros ko Leo ho Lola tama mo ama pepa ne da to ball e monko monyeska monko fa tetimbra iti omo trend the next bid from Tima, your friend Brighton and Hove Albion, Charles Di Catalari, where the kind of story about doing his medicals. Then Ortega, Thomas Tuchel at town phone after Ortega now pay as a free Manchester City, Mr. Onebisi a kind of mommy. Now, Abu, when no one you know consider say David here said you're in a story, no mark of finding about, but there has been a personal conversation between Ortega and Thomas Tuchel to send your more hurricane situation, no. So now you look at Ortega and you watch Ortega and Adrian saying ne Obako PMO Manchester City by City no we need to find a price and bet many compromise but Abu so much a story near quite confusing Berardi no Rafael Pimenta On a negotiated deal between on an intermediary between Inter Milan and Udini for Samazic. Now, on what the command of BBS Yamaboy and Akoya medicals for Inter Milan. Ori na no papa. Eba no papa so onye convinced with the commission in this Casemne PM or contracting him. It ye fair one particular agency be TDS Sport. Omo the manage Jerome Boateng. Na Dirikan any di anim.
Sompa Sports.
Na papa na catcher Rafael Pimenta said your ma discussing nyina no ontwam. No nkotena nchen. Na Dirikan nembe gina ho. No intermediary no ni Inter Milan be din komo no mo starting negotiations for boy the commission this Casemni na from the scratch.
I don't know how many Inter for na pal.
Ana Inter for say nkomo ye de awie da no na afi na mo sa de nyoma be share ko say sabe. And Inter are beginning to lose hope because now Sensi during the preseason the performance no aso Inter Milan ani. It is Samazic deal no papa no ana ma bibia kan na no pa ya wakotreni abudi abi. Or you didn't know, but no quite personal training as to the baby, you know, any but it's quite confusing as to how Samazic deal has turned out. Gabriel Veiga, 33 to 33 million euros, no more the choir, no. Celta Vigo prayer to baby. There has been a new bid from Napoli on the call for Gabriel Veiga, but more can response from Celta Vigo say, and then the Biabet me Akoye at the Amomuti Abu Dhabi. This morning, no. Yeah, me see ewa ha no.
Mante the transfer man Michael Akomia na Jemfi me da se pa na bi jo bata bugu a bi jo ba kwa ba
ye ro
na bibia hye yi
nyame adum
era zo nya obedu ntem bibia akokama de za ma me nyi we fi we na membra na ye nye 1 to na say Liverpool there is me permit for that be ma
minute
za
sign it quick.
Bishop no be bala what was that Royal Foam Ghana Limited maka etimiera chose ne mattress no pe papa a Royal Foam mattress omu joma na so ejuma mo bono ano ediomo na eye na nkofo abomoden atu anamo ediomo tini na ze mattress ada so a we chi nyoya okonyoya obebia nyoya emu eden ti so na na de oda so ada denda for palma nema ededa ye pre etimiera ma no mo ze ne omo abomoden bibia de dia Ghana afa na bebia no obomoden na when your mattress ni bi wata wie no ya sanboa etimi de sumye etimi aka ho eno so no e ya de yen hihye o mabomode etimi aye now ze omo ye adwuma pani nti no yen kan che omo customers na ene omo njibi ze ya bomode abosobo de awodo na akọ etimi ra omo roma ene omo timi ekoko roma the 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award no ya bomode omo good award ni na ene zo omo si adwuma omo ebo no e ya de ano e din ye papa no ene the 20th anniversary de mo pin so otu voice to do the second and also no more ebo modern na just 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no yes I'm presenting award team my Royal Foam Ghana ni na so mo mattress ni ejuma no mo bono mu se dance a bibre ma no obia no obetimi ne ho ato no timi ba cho call na kokko gibi na ade che a wa me kan che me ze me haye me ya okoda kra wan kwanko so da bia na ze nantwi ne nkrama bia e pamonti papa no e Royal Foam mattress o mo number ni fa F4 oni o mo din komo ba bi obi ansa be ka 0202 271000 0202 271000 yamwa nane wande da di performance 21st clinic semenka enfrancho se sciatica ze Ghana ha no na jonku ye me ya me to achi ye me ya me sere achi twetwe no eno ne brofo na sciatica na di nkofo nya egangansu etoyi bonzo bisisi e na afezo ne to asi won tin ne twetwe na ne ade brofo na sciatica Ghana bia ba kope enkofo fiama no ne ba ngaba beja ya isa na wo Ghana na ne to asintin ne twetwe o se mo na twetwe 21st clinic na also ura na ehwe ne ebo ama ne makoyie pa etimi edemanya no nko yaye bia no omobo modern emma abibidro a ebeboa no wagian na so na ntoto na akoyie pa etimi era mo services no emu design so kwa lab no na afi no scan service no yeye etimi edema no mo massage no oh my goodness okwa na uzampa yemiemia wa ma uze moja no edi efusane ne asen abomodem etimi edem machine treatment no akan etimi era manti yaye bia edu nya bia no 21st clinic the expert in sciatica and also room na akone ebo na ma dadi perma more than 15 branches and Ghana no mo ebo ejuma kuma say opo mo ehwa overseas junction omo ebena for radio no obo say cancel cortes so call junction no be nyomo nkoko atane ata no sister main gate no unyomo na Accra East Legon omo ben American house omo na no fa ka how na oton ya na nya no edu 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0249 311 niemboa na niamande da ye pa entimi afa ba to ma daroma ma me ko bishop aye krado ye wura na afi enko ne enko kodi nkoma akra na ye hwe sere niama esi ago bi oba ba biem
ye wura wisi
ye wura mu kakre minim baby ano de me fa
wura na bibia dadi
o ne me ko kama pa
fantastic I aba no so de
o ne aba
I mean that it in Jeffrey Bruno Bremu ni na
okay
the biso free oti region Bremu mo de pa
are no akọ zan kwa
Sompa Sports
and chana me de ma we bi afrem se me chama na
okay
pressure mo de ma we is no dey but meso
o mo de me nti obia na me de mo na me se me pem wo sei na mo keka enfu obia ana enye kama na
kama
enye kama
kama
nti obia
nana ene me aminu Stago ne baba nana ya adombo ahema ne birthday and on behalf of Stago ni odibia se busua no ane adansi asuka municipal assembly no oye district coordinating director
me am chairman Stago
anya oye catch ni pa nti so ko fast Stago na the football no kwa ya
why funso
ne baba ni nana ya adombo ahema happy birthday akra ne se ne ma me so obvious
bishop
ne ho efe pa
bishop
ai
como ya udi akra ne se ne ma o ze Stago
opa mo fa ne picture to mo fa
Sompa Sports
ati wa o de eko
ye bo football Ghana ha baby anti ye baby a football no obi ano ye di ekiri enti na ma ye dance no enra bikopi Sene East District Capital ye friend Kajeji na mo Kajeji Football Club KFC wo ho a o ma board division 3 qualify board division 2 na mi ko tie mu nsem tie hu komo coach Galaxy o Kajeji only players ni team no name penny for opinion leaders are more Sene East District Kajeji to be precise no na mini ka mama ba so kramo em so be ka ho tem na ne ma konkan na me hwemo bo se enra nkomo ayedi ye no mi remfi me nyobi ameta no ma refuse sa na me di echi na yetimi etu anamo na bibia etimi akokama nti coach Galaxy sa na ye friend no team ni din de Kajeji Football Club so mama yem pictures ni bia de ama kramo na pamfo no na nka mama ye hu ne ekọ so Kajeji na nka ye ho beto yen but sene amoya amo twetwemo na
yo me entu mu no de enko ye be se si echi ne adi sa nkomo no why
mira me dase. You see, football na nkasa no eyade a ekire nioma bebre. E ma yesua nioma bebre. Na one of the things football brings nkabom ene onuado. Na coaches na omo free Europe aba England omo ye adwuma no say ofa England teams na ho na dodo na coaches ni free England omo free Europe and aba be ye adwuma club Fark si amonza Fark wa chan elite
yes
fa Teta fa Pep Guardiola koku fa ode fa Ten Hag I mean hwe Aston Villa coach Unai Emery dodo na free baby na koku them say Mikel Arteta is creating a family feel around Arsenal na ya hom kan mo chere me David Raya ne unveiling na me hu say ne nana Joaquin ekura ne jersey no am say enya ade bia eye foforo some who say players no do sign contractor eya no more family members
yeah no more
the man way down so near Arsenal's decision to give the man prominence.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and your first time a player because sign contractor na busu phone na di akire ni they made me player na di bia ba madwumi bakayoko ne ma me ne papa oko Chelsea no nti na enya de fufuro bia but papa ne ka say ne biggest dream in here I'll see it tinase David Raya ne din ya David Raya Martin na in Spanish naming system no papa na busua fa din baako na oba na busua fa din baako enti akrana no giving name edi an yede ma no ye David na emom ne maame side no na ye Raya no na Martin ni free ni papa side ne the other din ba na ejina hay Joaquin ene ne nana ne be bo Arsenal he's at the forefront and look this is how you create a family feel around a football club sebi enye prime Ike Casillas asem na meka.
Oh Debbie.
Enye prime Neuer. Debbie. Enye Oliver Kahn asem na meka. David Raya Martin na yeni enim no. Nemum Arsenal have decided to go away from the normal trend then among for papa no projecting outside no be ehunu. And it is beautiful. It's a beautiful thing to see. Everybody Arsenal for now so David Raya came into no paella. Abusia we in a Real Madrid supporting family.
Abusia we.
Oh we papa ni Real Madrid.
Amunyina Madrid for.
You no paella. They man they break it through year 2018 now on the Blackburn Bar League 1.
Yes.
Then from there all called Brentford. And then the Moabe Brentford number 1. But first of they are Cosby national team.
Yes.
Now our Arsenal. I mean it's a beautiful story. But Arsenal chose the moment to highlight 91-year-old Joaquin and David Raya and Nena.
Lumani Ajepa.
What the name?
Road man said we see
Renenim. Yeah, problem here. Because you catch a kalu atara se na na wa ya ohunu no akwafa na bad na ba se omumbesan yen ya sam ni hia no ekuyen ti de wom no e be fa nsa nyamianim no krani a very quick one on Michael Olise and the Chelsea Ezikasem oh chakai what is stopping up one epe player only kind player in kasa and sana on the club na kasa these clubs only complain when usisium. So be to your part, there's nothing like tapping up. Teachers invest can normal form player. It's as simple as that. When you are seeing me, Bruce, what tapping up? So team this your report to before tapping up. Sikasem.
Amunya ne mani.
And here 1 2. What is a player fairly medical and in na April. Do now be come sikasem.
I don't say it me yes.
Oh do na. Team feeling medical no ha no akopa so team from. And you're not crona. Oh, come on. Tinomo is Casem, some become canon first canon. Crystal Palace both United, or Marco Busikebisono.
Yes.
And I say, maybe Chelsea indeed a due diligence on the player side, no, or release clause now, yeah, canon. But then, good thing is that Romeo Lavia are rejected club. Michael Olise are rejected Pep Guardiola and Manchester City for Chelsea. Two things. Omo coach on the Nkrane Kasa, he sells his vision, he has a pool, or they are paying crazy money.
So be fa ba akoro.
They're here.
Ba kono. Ba fa ba akoro.
Legacy doesn't pay bills.
So be fa ba akoro.
I just say, look. No, I wanted to give an exposition for Liverpool problem, a loyalty man. Asem we ya
mohani loyalty
ya kan nensesa na me ya say all of a sudden nsema ye nu bi yete ya na nim say emba press mu no people like Paul Joyce all times one of the most credible if not the most credible omum na kasa asem ni say it's painful but Liverpool fans in engine tum sa no omun tinisi ngu omoyam won say akwa ya bonu osugu ni mu kwaku they wouldn't have been here omo free Liverpool team nim nansan no. They are leaving the club because their hormonal decisions are ignored. Me just say akomia ahomachi bi no ka chem say Lavia uncle Liverpool na mka nze no. And some of my catch any mama ama ne mama catch Chelsea. It be unfair to leave the boy midstream. Oma ko peda yin na Liverpool. We jan ho akọ bid sa bid no so omo Liverpool no mo nim bid no. Americans and do music ko. So they should move on. There are diamonds and gems in there they can get. Their team is crying for number 6. They should move on and then get some. Saudi Arabia for no money abre.
Pa.
Now no Michi mo say enye China no na monte ase. They have a plan. America Laporte. Only 30 years or so obeko. Even Liverpool he would start.
Laporte.
As a left centre back. Yes.
Oh, Obebo.
Look, a lot and he will improve them massively. And che dia na Laporte ne Van Dijk ne come once more.
Yes.
Ebra Alderweireld and Jan Vertonghen ne come from. These were the two people we were mentioning all over the place. Or Saudi Arabia, ye can say ombeji legally binding assurances every Newcastle na man for say. It has started unraveling. Kuku, in September, Saudi Arabia friendly some ball St. James Park.
Wow.
That's the confirmation there.
Ball St. James Park.
Saudi Arabia.
Obama ball mudim.
No. South Korea and Costa Rica.
Obi Obama ball mudim.
Look.
Oh, I don't know. Way now, Baby Chichi. One side the crowd me very interesting is that the national collapse in the bar. I make Laporte. Spain, Etihad, Anasa, Saudi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Portugal, Saudi, Anasa, Sadio Mane, Senegal. Ebe ya manaba beze. Baby, you are league no be de pa.
What they heard? Dazen, akoto right.
Yes.
Come on, motor right now. Eventually, ube bomudin. Any eti kumasi aye bomudin. Eventually, you'd have to mention that.
Allah to sky for also come.
Eventually, also bomudin. Eventually. And they are look, it's a well-crafted program. Yeah, Chim PIF, Nesanyo Mani, it's quite clear. I'm going to Roberto Mancini. Our winning European Championship. So, I'm going to national.
Yes.
Look, just look at the markers they are putting down. It is what it is. Bam.
Hey, Nima.
Bam. Man, who's a Rebellino? I will be there sending. Floyd Mayweather as a legacy would not pay bills for you. Say, who we are. Kojisi Kananako. Etifak Radio, downtown Damam. And you want to frame you. Me na me from Paul Mucho. So, na me so me dia me de ben. You do munja me kakra me my in 6 months. Me ya o munja me ka Damam. Na
6 months that show.
Etifak Damam.
Oh, okay.
Radio. Yeah, call. Na aka 3 days. Na ye be di ebronya. World Athletics Championship. Uni plane ticket a unkobi. Ghana uni visa unkobi. Athlete na nya visa na ona be dey. Nipa oko tu mikano wan ko bi na me training na me den yasem de yeah. The USA are having a problem. Kwaku world 400 meters defending champion Memano Michael Norman. Yeah, that's sorry, ya normal and so pull out. Michael Norman Oregon lead the marker. Now here Wade Van Niekerk and mama can say nko mu peja. You know expect to say Michael Norman be BB extraordinary. But look, injury has taken his toll on him. The first race this year now around June 6. Pra Edininya on me. Another one to bite the bullet. Michael Norman statement or the Babonteno clearly he speaks volumes about what these athletes are going through. He said Norman said Debbie on me in defending the title no at the 2023 World Championship because it's been an extremely and not just frustrating extremely frustrating season until better check. No feature Olympic Games no so best
yes.
And Wade Van Niekerk is informed or a world record at the Olympic Games. Athletes be up a world record, but the perfect world record any day Donovan Bailey or USA 1996. See you 2 Mika or USA, you expect Americans in the winning, especially in the sprints. Donovan Bailey for Canada Baho. Ebe 200 meters world record, a Olympic record, or sign Olympic gold or US. Or the Shata Bibiao. Now the next say a year before 1996, 1995, I was Sweden, Gothenburg, a 1 year World Athletics Championship. No, Donovan Bailey win a World Championship. No, and the Atlanta 96. No, Donovan Bailey was world champion, but he needed the world record in enemy territory, and he chose the perfect platform in Atlanta, Georgia, laid down the marker to the Americans, or winning 100 meters, he world record. Esa encore Canada team no to a 4x1 relay and then no US for no cry. Their only consolation was Michael Johnson in the 200 meters. But Michael Norman cannot take the mantle. I'm on for prepara and this paves way for Wade Van Niekerk, says the eventual guy. Jamaica could do Budapest. Omuru hotel no na ya hom kan yi. Ohwa Jamaica ankasa arrival no signal say pressure on man so.
Yes.
E mema no modemo no ekofom. But a man, ekrem. Kwaku, Jamaica in the last 11 World Championship, 100 meters, Oma winning 8.
Last 11.
11.
Omaji 8.
8. Until look, they know say in Sherika Jackson, Shelley and Fraser Price, they are locked down with Shakari Richardson and in Marie Jose Talou for the 100 meters. Until I'm looking forward to how Jamaica would respond, but they've been ushered into their hotel 3 days to the end. Ura Budapest is here. You can feel the atmosphere and the frenzy around the World Athletics Championship. It is picking up. Seneya, Nike, Adidas, omo team, any players are omo sponsor omo. What athletics so yes sir?
Yes.
You was sir. These kit manufacturing companies omo athletes omo sponsor. Now I said you are so visible. Our Budapest Chronum no, a New Balance.
Yeah.
Omo athletes they've unveiled them to the media, billboard, banner, big ones. Sydney McLaughlin Levron Kabul from the Netherlands, 400 meters hurdles. One of the main girls going into the competition. Anyone who for Budapest is a New Balance. Honor that honor. Gabby Thomas, United States 200 meters and a 4x1 relay. Also anyone who ye pa so we be challenge Sherika Richardson. Sherika Jackson 200 meters nima on Shakai Richardson. Then Sydney McLaughlin Levron also 400 meters world record holder, defending champion. Maybe. It's painful, but they are really availing their people to say the New Balance sponsored athletes no or it's painful, but they tell no you call cap amount for pra. It's yes you because could brunya. Not say never any problem near Serebisa. No you be do that bay.
Ever call kakra krebi duo.
Okay.
Mom DH no. I'm on this say pabeba. Apostle. I am fat.
Oh, please. It's good for us to go there, participate, but yes, you be free, but yeah, open market.
We know.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Your form.
As a recent time, we're proving senior boxing a Jew, I didn't a Jew. Boxing, amateur boxing a Jew, crying the same.
I was on my team about me. Why? As I can see a query TV and from Roxy Travels, ya can't 8 me at Charles and Roxy for Bombardier to pay me by Boamanema Kuye Pedama Pezoko, a 2 coin coco yejma, Okokusia dear. Okokobo ana kokotna wa manonia senete ye beboaji US work permit etimiera mana cheche for no so no ye boade mu ko US mamoko ekokocha de baby ti say Canada and afi UK so ne de health workers no and a factory jobs a wodo na wo a ye boa mane makoye pere amana ni no Roxy semen kan chose baby ti so Australia say ne oye driver oye cleaner oye security no ye boa na yetimi edi awram sa amrekro na so no na akwanya dos ye page media ma Bahamas na Bahamas so no ye ze ben Florida US into Okoa, Zeni no yen roka, na factory jobs out on a New Zealand so no yen kofo kukurum say open shinging visa. Baby this Germany, France, Holland, Italy, any Poland, you know more etuana wana taking so no factory job where no so ya board and kofo etimie corner Israel. Amozi ne ye pebi mo amoma kwa nani job no ho. Baby so ti say Albania also no ye pen kofo mo ram na so mako akwa kubu edwuma na Serbia ne Hungary so no ene ye say acheche for no akwenya dos ye be ram namako akwa kubu edwuma and a baby dize Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait also near any abwa footballers no any Roxy semen country also bezo si akan wo UK the Romeo Lavia money Moises Sky say do mo kona any omunisa also ebebo near the ram now game no wakwa koto so mo agencies a etu sa na mo no etimie de mo and omo boaje scholarship so the man call for ram baby to say China, Canada, Belarus and baby to say USA here any abwa eba ni ticket booking no reservation no nyana private jet rentals ni na bebo na yetimi ama so no on setimi aka se ne uni birth certificate na hyase no call no mudidi nkoma on be assist to ama nsa aka na passport so no ye bre ni abo na no so ya assist uni bia on setimi aka ntimo amokuma so no mo po mo asafo VIP station Godi Home Taj building no on sabe kom kuma so na ma no 025 777 6730 025 777 6730 and a 055 7607 375 055 7607 375 nkran opo mo a na eze kaso antamo no kaso CPO Sid Methodist Church no obo modern wanyam nti akra number no enso ye 024 4613 237 024 4613 237 ti Ramuna Roxy emwa na ode so ne mbramu enfam abazo ye ramu kakra menim baby e hyase ma won England game na hyase a ram ni adia oba na go ni bia ba na
England ashe back on surprise Elan 2 ni ababa you are very pretty Lauren James Rich James the sister no o guys on your red card after or wanya de odini 9 ekotia Alozie Michelle of Nigeria and he's still suspended. But England, any Australia, listen, one of the hottest game in the competition season. See, but it's very hot, and it's because Mary Fowler, and Sam Kerr, they play for Chelsea and City. They are strikers for the teams in England. So they are here. So Osher Cadley fought for instance, a left winger for them, and also bought for Arsenal. And these are apart from Spencer. They are players, English players, so they play at the top level. So in but England lady Nelan Tunwa Wachrese Sarina Wagner coach ne Sebiu confidence GDS from Cornimo Tama Laurie James enya red card against Alozieno or didn't be shame no Ayejuma. And this is a crucial move. We shall go semi-final. Now qualifier. Maza, easy, even though the final is there. So it's interesting. But just to start. Now, me start with boxing. Teddy Atlas. Teddy Atlas, yeah, or yeah, Oko ESPN, or a top boxing pundit. And then, or your former trainer. In fact, I started training with Kuz Diamato. Kuz Diamato, one of the finest trainers or the Pick Abu, me born I'm a trainer, but not yes. So it's a strategy that he presented, boxing strategy. On the producer Mike Tyson, new one Mike Tyson because on no quantity discipline Mike Tyson about the rough Tyson also a ghetto boy, said your breath for ba or free ghetto. Anti no sebiu in Colaboni a bedding Colaboni to a horse several times. Oh, there's here. But Papa we na a fan no otimi a discipline no man need that. And so Teddy Atlas echo as a boxer, but I'm far and a deputy trainer for him. Now deputy trainer for Kuz Diamato and at the age of 15 Mike Tyson and Nunya Kasakasa did not him. And on the buffet, so he decided to quit as a deputy trainer for Kuz Diamato and obey Michael Mora, former WWF heavyweight champion Michael Mora, which Michael Mora the Holy Focal twice or winning one, losing back on George Foreman winning one, losing back on. Then he came to Timothy Bradley. Okay, Timothy Bradley, Manny Pacquiao 3 times. Manny winning twice, Timothy Bradley winning 1. Yeah, so he became a trainer for Timothy Bradley as well. But what can't say, Mami can't assemble or can't quote no. That is him. Now, I can say Anthony Joshua or your overrated boxer. The legend Mike Tyson criticized not be overrated. Teddy Atlas, Anthony Joshua is overrated. Fine, that's okay. And Oka say Sebiu or British fans no chose Omo Facha no say Opoma sem nemum Anthony Joshua Onyadie. This was after Hellenius about Onyadie.
And also Anthony Joshua Onyadie.
Anthony Joshua Onyadie only be Oyadie or born as a boxer. But you see, sometimes the American pundits, I disagree with him. Now, Anthony Joshua, the next opponent, the Bekun likely, says Shelley Finkel, manager for Dento Wilder, any at the end, Omo matchroom promoter, promoter for AJ, Omo Kenya, January, Saudi Arabia, about my basso. Now, the reason why I say that there's Sebi hypocrisy in what he's saying, and it's not even factual, and I'll debate anybody on that, is that. So who AJ say or you're top notch? He's not. AJ, sorry, Dento Wilder is not a top notch boxer.
On your top notch?
No.
About
you see, in boxing, to classify or be so a top boxer, I saw to me boo the time no omo ya deal on the time. It's very important you establish that. And no never establish you as a top guy or a prime boxer. And to Muhammad Ali or lose it to Joe Frazier or Joe Frazier twice after that.
Yes.
Every boxer, no matter how good you are, you lose anyway. For more than one lose, you lose anyway. But you lose you say prime no be the best in your prime. So Ali lost to Ken Norton, lost to Joe Frazier, but Ali George Foreman.
Yes.
Now don't forget, Omunya a good medal. I gotta say, Olympic medalist Sebi Omunya fun in boxing. They are the best and successful. Ali a good medalist, George Foreman a good medalist, Joe Frazier a good medalist. So if you say that Dento Wilder better, no way are born. Dento Wilder one on Naku. Bemani Steveni or a boxer. Luis Ortiz or a boxer. Eric Molina a boxer. Or no any trainer Mali Scott or a boxer. They are average and below par. Omunye established quality boxers. But ono, the first time Osha will be credible was when he met Tyson Fury. First one split draw. Second one, 10 knockout round 7. Tyson Fury bunu. Third one, 10 knockout round 11. Tyson Fury bunu.
Yes.
And on what base do you think, sir, Anthony Joshua? Anthony Joshua fought one of the most quality boxers in boxing history, in Vladimir Klitschko. That bout, a defining bout for Anthony Joshua. Now, Anthony Joshua has already won against Richard Martin, IBF heavyweight champion, winning 2016, after winning Olympic gold medal against Cameronelli at Olympics London 2012. But Anthony Joshua, that bout here, Klitschko bout, one of the most interesting bouts you have, because Klitschko knocked Anthony Joshua down round 5. Anthony Joshua knocked Klitschko down round 6, and then one TKO round 11. Now Klitschko is one of the Hall of Fame boxer. Klitschko, very good boxer. Compare Klitschko, you can't compare Dentwada to Klitschko.
Yeah, man.
Good. So, yes, in any why and what me abu a prime boxer as world champion between AJ and Dentwada. AJ.
Yes.
Yeah. AJ bu Joseph Parker, AJ world WBO title. Joseph Parker no or they say Wilder na mean fanon to Vladimir Klitschko. So first of all, sir, asem na kan enya no. Ye kaso obi a bompa new Robert Hillenius or one or ye did this or no a champion. Maybe or share Mike Tyson Fury and fa. The truth about AJ's problem, like we can say boxer be a losing. Only Jeremy Lakako Kwayedi and the Ruiz by Sadia no it own at appropriate time or we do own dynamics. I want you to wait me losing. Or call it to and the Ruiz 10 knock around 7 or Babe rematch. We need by anymore. But AJ problem they say on court through situation say Waluzia twice that. There's Tyson Fury versus Deontay Wilder. And the AJ after losing to Usyk Alexander twice no. I ain't see one abrabo mudano. On say or lucky confidence.
Yes.
AJ problem I don't know. So he's changed trainers. Robert Garcia that was Usyk and Usyk Alexander 2. Robert Anfa. Then Okafa Derek James, another trainer or Sakini trainer Robert Macricon because Felice Onyadie. The confidence level now of AJ of because of conservative losses no. When you Onyadie confidence only GD on the mubium.
Alo lose to asonama.
And see that. Nevim no swati and akwano so bono second one okay nani mo bono pa. And the so he need a trainer who will bring the best out of him. But I don't say Sebi Okoshia Dentwada Brusu or Brusu Bia. AJ is better than Dentwada. And I'm talking about the records available based on performances. When Nipa Bakwan ye papa that's free. It was saying. Oluzie. So I disagree. And this sometimes this American analysts they keep on doing that thing. That every American boxer is superior to it's not true. According to Wilder, so far, if you want to even stick to that, the last undisputed boxing champion was Lennox Lewis. An American, a British.
Yeah.
What is it? And then Tyson Fury a British. And about Chrome ebe bu go poto. So how can this boxer be an A boxer against Anthony Joshua?
Yeah.
Because they be assembly Cynthia. So they say, I'm more kind of crunch, but some of us will not take this things lying there. Now, me call Lewis Hamilton. Now, Lewis Hamilton problem no. Toto Wolff, Mercedes Penny said, Ebion share Zandvoort, Dutch Grand Prix, 25th to 27th of August. We say, on bet me, I say, contract yourself. As we speak today, only contract with Mercedes. Ebeu this year. This is
Ebeu this year.
Yeah, this is.
Oh.
Ebeu before call Abu Dhabi.
Oh, okay.
Now on my dry contract for 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
For 2 years now. Problem now say or Phyllis say Louis the Phyllis say or 5 more years. Now 38 years. 5 more years Nibeko 43. And to say for 5 more years, the almost man of 5 years contract, £40 billion a month. Plus £25 million for 10 years as an ambassador for Mercedes.
I don't remember. Conrad knows 5 years. I sent for a man.
But now he earns £40 million. Sorry, a year.
A year.
Yeah, £40 million a year. Sorry. A year. £40 million a year, sorry. £40 million a year. But I'm only 5 years. And I'm saying, I said, Bondi confirm. They can't commit to that risk. And at 25 million for 10 years, no. That's incredible. Baby, I'm talking what be saying now. Now, Ebasano, Ferrari for John Elkham, the president of Ferrari, and in a secret meeting. But the captain said, out of respect, no share, but any other call race a Ferrari. That's John Elkham. Ferrari, because Ferrari, no, almost problems here, and say, after 2007, Ferrari winning World Championship. Kimi Raikkonen, Eddie Ferrari winning, winning Bessie. And Oma ya se ombenya obia odimo oyade to replace Kimi Raikkonen. But we see that enye adia etimi aye. So what watch here this season, last season, Charles Leclerc, Carlos Sainz and fa. This year Osha Red Bull, Mercedes, Enna, Unipa, Aston Martin, and Fernando Alonso. These three, they are doing better than Ferrari or more good car. So Ferrari president Koshia Luis Ujamjai, he promised £80 million a year. Say on G number for Ferrari. He's turning it down.
£80 million
a year to come and drive for Ferrari. We're turning it down. We're turning it down because £80 million. We're turning it down because you see, where who say Lewis Hamilton be doing where who say one car no kasa enyadie Ferrari car enyadie. Oh dear. Say enyadie dia. Why should I come there? Because baby I made do me nyinsu me yaka enyadie. And I'm winning 6 world titles with Mercedes. Why would I leave a comfort place like that? Yeah, Gigi Mesona Makobe Fufro. And they still no or train contract now. Ebeba enyamba or Mercedes. But aircon, we see our panel say or best signing before that's next week before Meko Zandorf. The challenge is that say Oma nye we car nakasons or problems. Oma Kospeko Monaco and fast still. So he's still waiting to that date. That's next 2 weeks to find out whether Wolf bedina dem basem be asemana say ambassador maybe obestati a consider Red Bull force akohuno Christian Horner akohuno because of Sergio Perez onya de Max Nkwan na de Sergio Perez Sergio Perez only 2 races per out of 12 Max are winning 10 which is bad performance. So because of that now the challenge is that Sergio Perez on person show no exit but they want somebody to come and compete. There are more two drivers. You need one driver so be push back on there. So they say. Now they've had that in Max Weber in 2010, 2000 up to 2013. They have that, and Sebastian Vettel. Now they are having wonderful driver in Max Verstappen, but nini Paul pushing Max standing Modimbo and Perez. Though they are saying, can we pair Lewis Hamilton with Max? Now Max encore. Sebastian Lewis Hamilton ba Max Obejayako. Adesu or call third consecutive or cruising third this year win the third title. Yama kwekwa Louis ba Louis Finu was way they know him. Where are there? Why do we rock the boat? These are all the very dynamics that happens this year.
Mate, about Georgia, everybody have to say interesting pa. Na obubia manaba be ya Louis Hamilton. Why am I time? I am Alonso de Jan and also we have some be no crab coffee. Mami ko Kaisi Rangers obase na mini even. To aso ma on say Zahara ndupa no na Zahara de ya kanze mu ndupa no bobia. Ebe boy be na bibia je de.
Boko pa abu.
Simadu ye ni nkomo akra.
Abu medase ewo akonya odi amame na mechi a watifo ne wahwefo nyina na mama obi biara akwa aba characteristic. Yan ye de ndupa eye Zahara man capsules. Hindi heba Mr. Zahara Mr. Ene Zahara G capsules abedwa so a yenroi wonders ene awonwade a yenroi ye die Ghana ha obia nim de yenroi etimi ye na ye dra ye frɛ no Zahara Mr. Ene Zahara G capsules aye do wonwaso a eboa odophobia owo weak immune system. Se ka weak immune system anything obu ha emfa ne se nipa miensa omunyina nya yale kro obo se ono nko a ye mana dura ne honto no ontimi and respond to treatment odafo wo ho na atasa mesrɛw me kamfo Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules na de ama no wobon se o weak immune system nti no se ntontom kan ba ko bia bo so no nko a de bia na waye no phone na oyare odafo wo ho na otesa adura me kamfo de ama wa ebeboa ene Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules se aduro we sa ye do won waso a eye infection aduro kese pa sa odafo o ye bema na wo ho na wanya enam yare bi te se gonorrhea syphilis na ama obema no ehi na ama obema no efon ubo se ewa na obema ni mbo pe ubo se obema ni mu nyina ehyehyew ubo se onum so a enche na jonso sa ade won tentem abre so a onyare diabetes owo so a ubo se wadwonso awie no na insufita efiri obema mu eba uye bema na wo ho na sa wo highway amane hunu wei na waso ndura bra bema mesraw Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules abasa ebeboawo ye dro wei esa ye do won waso a se enam yare ama ensansan abeje obema na boso bema mesraw pe Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules echira kwan se yo ba so na wo ho na enam yare bi te se gonorrhea syphilis ama ensansan abegu wa himfi ho a oba mesraw adura me kamfo de ama wa unya ebeboawo ebeyi ni nyina ade afiri ho ama ho ataw ene Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules oba bi so wo ho a ode puapa hanadwene white teten ama ese wajetum ama white no ene na betena oba mesraw manyintum sa wode ye ko herbal shop sisi a pharmacy shop sisi a licensed chemical shop sisi a wo se ye maw Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules uto aduro na obehwie mixture no cap no miensa anopa no wayi capsules no 2 na ode aka ho aduro numere so a no wahwie mixture no miensa na de topaye no mienu aka ho odofo me pache se ode ensuo no na benom topaye no na nom toatoa so menum bi nen kasa ne nansa so ana abeto aso anom dabi ode nom toatoa so na obehu se white anasa ode po a eteteo ha wadwene no Zahara mixture ene ni G capsules ebe mo ahimfie ho no achi yopo ye dro we esa ye do won waso a ebo oba bi a natenka ewo fam oba bi wo ho a odampam a won tede eno ane se oda ho sa oye oba mesrew pe Zahara mixture ene ni G capsules eno ni adura ebe boostu pa amwate de won pam ye dro we esa ye do won waso a odafo me se no brabi wom se osa pa etetewo se osa ha wadwene se osa ama udidi a na oyam etwetwon odafo pe Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules obabi so wo ho a so okọ onya ne menses anase okọ ne fiti koma bo se no obre na ote so oyo oba na wo ho a adura ebeboa adura onya menses a ebema oflow no atimi abaye ene Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules odafo giafo na mesi ebia na opeye nnuro ibia ton anase enkomo bi wo ho odafo friend ne abeje wo so 0246 34 83 34 0246 34 83 34 0248 56 93 35 0248 56 93 35 order for freyen ebia na nkomo bi wo ho anasa opeye ndo ebia ton freyen sisi a ne beje so ye bekọ ye memeduro no so sa duro we be ma bia waso ahwe enim de Zahara man capsules etimi ye wo ye be ma na wo bo adabrijo udi bo ani a ya to din 1 minute be ma ontimi emfansi ani wo mpem a be ma mesrew Zahara man capsules abasa ebeboaw eye wagenkwa ko herbal shop sisi a ko pharmacy shop sisi a ko licensed chemical shop sisi a na de pe Zahara man capsules fire wadru Zahara man eye natural herbs enya memedro na niema frafra onoma na ho hyehyɛw na ese de yate ensan so no agu so no dabi ya duro ye natural herbs nubra ane atete ane de afrafra ane de aye wodi ya ne se wodi Zahara man capsules ebeye wadru be ma bi so wo ho a sisi yale agena boso sisi yale hana dwene sisi yale tete no sisi yale entimi emane mmu adwuma wo mpam emane partner ani nje be ma mesrew pe Zahara man capsules na de fa ye wadro be ma bi so wo ho a wo low sperm count ya dro we e natural herbs wo de nom toa sto na ebe boost sperm count no na ebe boost sperm count na obo so obecheke no obo so afede se eba na wo pa Zahara man capsules ni adro ebetima mo atutuo ya beko ya adro ya fe no hindi heba mixture se adro we e ya adro wonwaso a o se obi biare enya binom ya adro we e ya adro se malaria fever pa ha wa adwene obi wo ha atiridi mo wan timi tete no atiridi mo wan abetre ne mu obo se ntonton kan kakra bia na oyare obo se osore no pa se weda asesen a awabai obo se na aposo se osore mpo akọ na dwuma so no na adane ohaw adane amane anade ama no obi wo so a malaria amana num nyina aya nwonwono ontimi endidi emma no ho nto no odafo hindi heba mixture eni waje nkwa ko heba shop pharmacy shop licensed chemical shop sisi a uto adro na cap keto ahye so obenom no miensa anopa miensa awia miensa anumre odafo nom toa so ye adro we esa ye adro won waso a se typhoid fever pa ha wadwene odafo se typhoid mo wan tetew typhoid mo wan ma unya hoto typhoid mo wan ama onsam wonase nipadua ni nyina aye hyehyehye odafo mesraw pe hindi heba mixture obu ho a typhoid mo wan ba no ho a etimi ma eyesede no bofro no ho a na ntesu abegina num obenum wem saduro nso na still na de eye na eye no obo ni yam ene nipadua no ne body temperature no etimi kosoro na nipadua nyina aye hyehyehye odafo hindi heba mixture enye dura ebe boawo eno no waje nkwa wodi ya ne se obeto aduro no na onya akwadro no wanonom amame ya aduro we eye esa ya aduro wonwaso a ebo obibiara diabetes etete no odafo se diabetes ha wadwene diabetes etimi ma untimi na ema ho ntaw esechire yale ama me se oda jonso na wo jonso esechire yale ama osotia na ete obi wo ha aya na eba ne sa aya na farienti no obo se ototo kesinduro na ononom odafo fa hindi heba mixture wodi fa ye wadro obi wo so a high blood pressure pa etete no high blood pressure ema ne nya asumdie odafo adura bebo ani hindi heba mixture sa aduro we se adwuma wo ye mprem bebre no wo ye adwuma na mprem bebre no wo gya ho anasa awiema adura besiesie nipadua no ama nipadua no ayefe ani hindi heba mixture odafo ko heba shop sisi a pharmacy shop sisi a licensed chemical shop sisi a wo se yemma hindi heba mixture uto aduro na cap keto ahye so obenom no miensa anopa miensa awia miensa anumre odafo mesade ya phone numbers na todwa ebia na nkomo bi ewo ho anase opeye nnoi biaton frɛ yɛn sisi a ne abɛgye wo so 0246
02
34
34
83
83
34 0246
0246
34
34 83 34 0248 56 93 35 0248 56 93 35
odafo ye dra e fe no Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules e boost immune system no asa to infection bi asete se gonorrhea syphilis ene ye dra ye fe no Zahara man capsules ebo ba ma bi a waye mere won pam amana gina so pintin te se ahojo runabout ponko ene ye dra ye fe no hindi heba mixture ebo odofo bi a malaria fever pa ha na adwene typhoid fever high blood pressure ene diabetes odofo peye no ibito na onum ye ndo na obeya danse na obesa nya yaresa na wakase characteristic modo no eye bedase abu
ebra no no tie ramo kai se veche so maso e kokoko din komani hihye pa ne ma pa ne nupo mo dia baba be ram no ne abomo de didi onkomo ebo ama ne makoye pa etimi ede amount no ye den wo ye kwere ba pe ya tia simi na fa fisem no ato aso ede amamo
Alandio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Alandio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now. Number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it.
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap-In Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
What about too much business? This is a guacumwa. You did pay Numa Hudu. Too much infrastructure. Too much ahoto. Too much BBB. What about too much business? Vodafone too much business. Malcolm Uchusu voice, data, and SMS at Teddy say ya. Business. You come for the phone too much business. Nature say data do what the year business. Na sample with data and saya. Ut me year data for account. And do what the year Vodafone to Vodafone calls. Any Vodafone to other networks. Ut me sending messages do be open. Now we sign ya free course. Ma we do my phone na. Mobile package ba ko pe eye when na. Send start call 050-777-9000 and I send email for vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com. Now for who Jimubi.
Vodafone. Further together.
Royal Foam promotion. Royal Foam. Yes, it's in your muscle. You bet your bill free. Get 10% discount.
Oh la la! Ghana for Muntie, where the Atagwe Yatidene, Royal Foam Ghana Limited, the saving catcher Ghana for. And they will be at Tuniamuno, Modio Montio, Royal Foam Ghana for at a 10% discount. Sompa Sports. Nempono mattress be a better every Royal Foam Ghana Limited Hono. Yamau pillow free. This is your time. Once umreni, I was several Royal Foam mattress and that's all. No win Yamontoso. For Royal Foam Ghana, I was 020-227-1000. Enjoy Royal Foam Ghana Limited for a mattress. Number 1 inch. Royal Foam, I don't get Kikadi, Royal Foam for Atitibeni Jesukra.
Royal Foam Ghana Limited, what the Jikata.
Royal Foam still leading.
Esikafo Chrome, what day and Nancy did you come and walk of Fabro for free Abrochaba basin in terms of Fefesano. Our power master Abraham 52 estate construction and I said Dan Kamasano. I can't soon who be out. 52 estate construction firms in Kwane Sudan. Some because of Sompa. Company and a friend of 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. What on Sassy and that was see a dance or tongue or some managing properties. Natural say, Upedayato. Upa Sasiato, and as a Upa Mugubia, Amenesi modern houses, I'm when you be at Mo, now unim, we feel crowd was see a Timono. Sir, Nebrechum, now we judge the ma 52 estate construction for. That is a design in your Fabian. Mo, yes, I won't put down in your group, but so Bessia down more than one sure one casa would do fear. Wow, one more him 52 estate construction. Our Kisseman, Dimpa Achimata Road, for 0556 72 33 38, and the Kumasanso, page 4 and 12 Road. Over 0531 52 57 97. Social media nyanso at 52 estates.
Ghana for Yareda Akradia for Fry, your friend of Big 4 free game pack games no Eddie. Where Akradia net to the number Ahodwa and 930 kosi 9 Impressa de Biara number Kayen Kunum Difuane. Go back to me at Abefun Kratwabia www.gamepackgames.com and Ubebo star 946 hash. Our phone so now with ya man Akradia Adumeko NL Apene Game Pack Games Akradia is Unni Fiadu Matia Ultimate to Akradia Fenyansa to Akradia. Big 4 from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
Alright, Bobo de la Yetia also come prayer from our affair Fisero and Romu come prayer from us. And I can say call to me Bishop.
On Bitmako show no my best show for to Omono more than more bono any a Juma more yani dear. Namekano. Tinuman Kofa DB will be for BBM now because hey now blasters 4 times Africa champions. Oh, and I make say, so we shall blasters.
Yo, it's impossible. I mean, you are I see our deep last as a coma, the Ababi Ra, but or the new car.
Our 2 new car. Then now is a car and the number of traffic pictures, but 2 years.
Okay.
It's not a no buy okay calorie breed.
A coma did offer on the Abayo. Somebody TV team get wow. I tell you, show.
Let of car fresh.
Can may catch round there, and I made the come ever show.
Mama yaba juma asa kesi akwa fra wa abafo e krazi adada yire baba betrabi juma na mama dikiaka ze na krade aba dodo na guso omonto no e game park games na nei onfa onhima oso ro onhim ne yanze wenya eredu mfie du wotwe ne to ede pa ne yanze o mabomode ama numbers no from 0 to 9 uwe mabomode yi 9 a osi etwi draw na ye den a sa 9 no ebetimi abone no kra onhyehe wo mutimi ka ze bia number 3 be pm yensa number 4 be pm yensa penam one number bi dia kan no eba usika no eye bebrebe ene no so kra na nche no utimi chusu se mafa 1 2 3 4 enu ye straight se niam ededam ne ekokotwi draw na eba sa enu nso usika bebrebe entifa on hwem na mo ama ne man kwizan so mo also no eye ade wo so pa ntu kita phone a o de ko play store kwa wa download the game park games app no game park games app na ko mo site wa www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com and for simplicity's sake nana otam phone na network bia use bia wabo star 946 hash star 946 hash erobe ram na ohwen krap no wafana odiero abo ama na makuyera ma enele ajo matum ti dwumade no mudi no ehon te ebo mantoto ne koyi so no etimi edi emo bibia 52 Estate Construction Limited maka zo fa na ne di musika na che sika no fa bra besi 52 for so ne hwe na ode so ne mram se no pedan ewo Kumasi anankran o pasasi wo Kumasi anankran no 52 Estate Construction Limited omo eri hihye pa banyama no ne fonko a o Ghana credit restaurant no call for full plot anaze bono auto half plotter omobo abo plot na suma bonze yasan abomoden ato cement no mako 20 ere acho kwase je na fa kokoche project na se unya ne bebia age so monko a omabo adwuma no mfie no mako dunum nie ha bia ma chida odan na woton wasase na aton bra be ramo maso e dan ne danda da obezo renovate ade na 52 Estate Construction Limited omobo moden etimi eye ho adwuma ene yesi no di adwumefo aba bebi tise Kumase ne nkran o pe bebi ahodwo ama matna contact o omeni abo ama ne makuyere ama 52.com o cotton time video so set TikTok, Facebook, Instagram obo dwumadi omudi o number no 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 0531 525 and cry up on Kesama Junction Gimpache Motor Road Convey Plaza Nonsa Ebecom Kumase Uruane Chimu page fan to Aquino Sono Yabuano when your man to Tiana Kuyipa and Trinity of Arc Limited Company in a bin so cool 8 Mierama and net Moye head workers on to your doctor or your midwife or your nurse or your lab technician Canada UK Yeroko Bibi Abeda and Genho or Koso Ababa Modena Westia Diaba Naba Binya lines ni bina ye brand new to one and wait me amana hye no akoye pe timi e de amana de de ne se usua de ni nyina na yo clinicals na otwi bia ye uskap ne ramo etimi rama so pe so rubber bi ti se Canada America se north na south na akọ ekokosua de ni nyina no Trinity of Arc edu anim etimi edu ram footballers no ye gi sports visa e de mamona won sa njuma e bi ti se carpenter o ye Tyler e bi so ti so ye driver yo ye mechanic anampo no also ye plumber ni nyina e be na ya bomode edu ransa njuma no crowd ni bia Romania ili asu yadu ram na hye na koyie pa etimi edi amanti form number no komodi de bia ne omundi 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 na 0205 572 076 0205 572 Kumaso Pomoa Adwa to Masalachi Omo Benabrepo Junction Kaswa Nero Chimo Kaswa New Market wa Fidelity Bank Abanso no first floor Omo Adwumadi no Mudina Nwedin Vodafone Damu promo star 110 hash Wabomodi and wallet no so from 5 Ghana cedi to talk credit abon se pa ska krona le 20% na se aba beto wallet no so utobi mu adam for abon se pa na no so no edamu edema na eboa mane makoye pe no na friend ne Vodafone damu promo eze mu aye depa enti so fa ho hwem ne mboa na ne man koye pen fa ma na ese ne obo modern ne damu promo nyom no utimi didi asa twa ho ebe to ntentan fide no so a na wa bo modern etimi a hashtag Vodafone Ghana na o hashtag omo a obonze number babere asa na gama na sanso Ghana won hwehwe pa ede ma se ne achede bebre ebe wura mu etimi ede ama Vodafone further together ana makase school na bie ye be di won na weekend ye di won weekend ye be sa di won na munche mu ne simple ni ran ze wura mu na www.betway.com.gh onye du fedu wo twekwa animu a okwa de abomode a Betway golden code promo no ashase ye ejuma ntu de krike so na ne golden booking code no fa ye ejuma yeze bet no bomode etwa no wo ho a ene no mo de matches na go from 10 Ghana kokosi 40 Ghana no amba usika na ye be sand amount ebo so ye be bomode no wanya sika dodo bi a ewo se wunya ne zanze mu edu otwa no 50 Ghana de kwa udi a ubenya sika bebre be ne de amo anya de so sika no esen remedy amount no ye hwehwe pa ene no Betway for the aba na aba be roma eboa mane makoye pa odu baby na so mo stickers ni bi bo ne ye top up na kona kokoye na top up no oye omo akere bebre romo etimiera ma Betway bet your way now to end the din so en fama na esem no membo bobo so kakra ansa na yaba na yetimi ababa beto aso amediema Sporting Club Limited niama dedian Sunday omo bo modern Remo Stars e di abo eni no CAF Champions League no omo na gina Ghana na ma ye koni akwa akobo ejuma na se de didi ho komo no etimi acho no munche mu no se de sitie no omo abo modern hwehwe ya eni VIP ni 50 Ghana and afi popular stand no 20 Ghana game ne bekoso e wo Cape Coast Stadium a eno ane se e-ticket ne yedi ejuma star 711 ne enko support media mana mun komo no eno niama deda din e man pinfa wodo na ekokuhie omo ene omo didi nkomo ene referee paying pa ye final escort e ramu kokoboae man komodidi awodo na rama yedi shape players na ye twa omo kwan a ombefa so omo ramo sa major competition we na omentu to ye na abo na niama deda din na as unnecessary cars ne ne ade no eto betimi atwa nyon no nko oro ni chimo Central Regional paying pa e ba na mo football no do ma no penye friend Mr. Robert Duncan enso ni players ni din nkomo na nkomo ne omo di ye no say no catch omo
yenda because the players wonder in a sense that they know what is ahead. We need most medical catch up. I will link to ever park with Sidano. I know what do have on the clear. Even when the match is convincing. I'm don't be there. I'm on the out of the way. Oh, there, the air crisis. Or there, the Bible book. And I'm going, yes. Do you be under the Adama? Since the air behind there, we see the baby. The upon pines today, baby, I'm in every day. And we have factory and
Tia no yen command no pin friend Robert Duncan e bomb de dia ni na boa mane makoye pa etimi ede ma na nyon nko the Ghana Football Association Vice President pin pa ye friend Makado enso eko kokuramu etimi eko ne omo kokudi nkomo na ne nkomo ne nti akra
SC Mediama never give up. SC Mediama never give up. My baby, me share my brain. Me free. What's me doing? Did you take it to say me person who wants sana. I'm free. Yeah, me charge so the number so give me. I'm so bad so many. Mijaha mama ura Simon Keto Krepi the president. To me crack a crama myself. Akwa mukwe ono ojina hoye any the whole ESCO members no omunyina ya ejira mochi mwabi adebebo bia dia tamochi kumunkanifo ojimukwe so no munkan hu se oma
Tia no ye command ne prepare friend Makado abomode area to ya jeze no eto mo chikono mo fanto mo timiza ampa Ghana ne ye kwa kugina na mabo adwuma ma ne ma deda ye pretimi e dia me na totu na koye na Eduana Football Club no a confirm say prepare friend ya we champion no na ne ya appointing zomra ma me yo mo coach na omabo adwuma sinfie ni mienu e na oba na one omo ababe adwuma na hyehye no ada dia na mom na Bechem United ana ma me na me US finfio na Wenchiman Cup Wenchimai Cup on the 3rd September 2023. Orwani HMU Wanchi Sports Stadium na jeze Victory Warriors Omoni Indiana Stars and the Buenem is a match we need a match Victory Warriors for Yabo Modena Yetimi Edia Boss for cry Ramu Winchino at 3 p.m. Pepe na 3rd September Ramu Sunday na a Tengana City Spencer Sheno Yomoni Indiana Stars and a dear Buenin as a match we chino and she woman in the Amana Kono and Yada Kitwakra di Sana I mean Pabozo that will but be a number said a name is Sibano Victory Warriors so you mean so na yeah so na yeah
oh me director of the club
me aware pa Victory Warriors agoya Victory Warriors
munya butre
Victory Warriors, yes. We are the Warriors.
Correct.
Victory Warriors, yes. We are the Warriors.
And but agency have say we inside woman now we are the Warriors, we are the Warriors. My kind of
justify. Much way proper
big up. Victory Warriors. Juma ye be yen was azo libulo. Yes, you are the Warriors.
Victory Warriors.
Yes, you are the Warriors. I went to your Romano, which man can't do. When you are and you ever Yababi Rona, Buana de Day Pa, Etimi Eddie Amama Kama Pa. How to folks so precision, Egusu Koso, Abdul Aziz Nuruddin Nakamura, Eddie Komakra, Etimeda found.
It's tough, but at least that will get us better. We are doing well, and the coaches are also doing a massive job. I can see that our fitness level is rising up, so at least the preseason is putting us into shape. You know that I didn't play the whole of last season, and many of them have heard of me, but they don't know me, and I know some also by faces anytime that I come to stadium to watch their game. In the first week when I started training, there was a little bit of shyness, but now we are coordinating together.
The lawyer Kobani, Nuruddin Abdul Aziz, a pomo de Ramani, a Bohmanama Daddy Pera, Mababa, na Crobia News, no, Mababi, me, Fiona, Masadani Binko, and Fama Bafu Polo, Macassi African print, no, and about for Bomodi, a DH Masweba, Mantu to end the year, Pere de Mantino, Senate, yes, in the African print, polo shirt, African print, golf shirt, African print, runneck shirt, African print, V-neck shirt, ne boutique for no, a to ton to boutique, no one conquer to be a kitchen, no, and uncle for epe. And I feel so near hustler team in the casa or the Kakrabi Ramuna Abwa na onso no wagine mani bia kwa kotona nema dead yet organizations out on companies no bankers no ze e bano Friday we no mon function and says on Friday no se ko for bana mu nyina ma bontade ade kra no ma uzampa madwuma na ho ye no ya de amudi mu huni ye papa schools out on teachers association and so any fan clubs no de won tama no kra ne no enkasa no bre no wadi hudwuma etimi ediama na no person to a waye ne hihye ya ne package in the Senate, your gold package are 20 shirt or box mu, your silver package are and also need 15 shirt or box mu, bronze package, 10 shirt or box mu, gold package, you know, offer Ghana baby will be a deliver the amawa, unchia capre, ankonam to see an onsono, yet me GB nationwide delivery or bomb the 85 namano, nane bafu polo, and ninkomo 0249 600789 0249 600789 and a 0599 899-919 0599 899-919 Hinema Koko Bindi when Yachimo Santasi or Boasin Quano Sono Obabuanonia top tier study abroad consult. There was a Neoko Coco to Adiciano Suamanone. Now Mononi Diosia de Ayabwa, Nebiwa Dreamer, Duduanano, Unsidi Siete, Nasenete, yes, where we high school. Grace near dear ye, after Sunim Bobo, Unimrikakwa Momu, Yababuaji scholarship, Ediama be a fool, a be a pasha, Nabwa, Nanema de Dedim Pa, Ediamania Nonco, Sebaches degree, master's degree, postgraduate diploma, and certificate. Doctorate degree programs no US, Canada, UK, baby this Australia, baby this Austria, any New Zealand. Only na yet me Edward Romney mama hold na so no mo ma sat no in a high school student in a graduate in a try kama pa na IELTS and any TOEFL no ye boa ma nurses no any graduate ni undergraduate student ni twa e boa ma na maku omo staff no omo ache wa ma no into adaptation no enye den kra mo nkran no mo hwe omo Madina Royal Circle or CCA Plaza, Osi Medina Polyclinic, Nkran number no 0203 592008 0203 592008 in Kumasi Amakum traffic light no more Eben Bank of Africa 0260 411 847 0260 411 847 afi takrade omo be NK fire service no afian kwanta kwan no so no omo be Fija school park no 0598 007 852 0598 007 852 niamboa na ne mande da dimpa entimi emfama na sero oni no Kings are media Fridays bia Ejepene Baso live on Sompa TV. 4 p.m. na nyakwa ko 6 p.m. na munkomo no the papa bounce up penyin friend Kennedy on hini Japan. Odo ani chemu Asen Central ono na MP. Etimi ere no pen pa na president ye to abayi no na MPP amanyuko no otimi eba ba do ma no na jeza fie bewram no ye to abayi ni so mra ma be Ghana man penyin na nze wabo ejuma pa ayen konfo bibra doye ne hyehye ne ne mo de agu na kwam no no peso kam obia tibi me ba cho fie de bia ebo no nan ekokosi no nsia o akonya se Kings are no obo modern 80 ne o Sompa TV Kumase no now tin Sompa FM Kumase now tin Sompa FM Nkranza 18 Sompa FM Sunyane ni nyina ze Kennedy onhini Japan njuma pa no na obo modern didi onkomo na timiera cho team ne trans ya omururam ti Friday bia no me pa cho ya nyu efide ni fia no nan kokosi no nsia ye the Kings are ne beboa mane madeda dimpa etimi edi ema na krobia Kumase Asante Kroko no NCC no etu anamon kokokura mo bepo so any team no kokushia en komodidi awdo na etimi ewura mu na nature man solo ene bomodi ejina mu edema Ashanti regional na jezem na NCC no penyipa odoma no anim ekasere chi team no na niema na omode koye ni mu nchemu no se no bomodi de nsem ni tudwa
ye adwumaden edi amai na de esre mo ne se mo fa enidi eni obu eni adwumaden enfa som no payinfo Bible say okokuru bia mu a kurukuru ni yedi na ekuru ni yedi mu ana wotu bedi yi enti ye ka kire mo ne say munyi mu je mo som kotopa fiwi na obia ni ho obesom kotopa fiwi ye yi ye mu a Nyankopon ba ma ne bre aye kwada ye ka kire mo say contract akesia ebese samabrabo ebeba ni nyina ne say mo be som kotoko Sompa Sports. Dia kan se Nyankopon enhyira mu nyina. Nyankopon enhyira mu nyina. Amen. Mo so be ye adwumaden edi amai. Na yes.
Etia no ye command chairman solo epo mo de to after no Dr. Prosper na Teogum coach edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kroko dance sinase. Ano so na di sem se no bo mo de timi editudwa.
Technical staff any playing body na name. Any IMC na name Adam wase o ne di kan se mote se wa hase mode munuma pa bia mudi e de ato ho na botu anamo aba hase mo behwen na masanso e de niama ete sei a be mai ahoden ama e de ayi training ama ayi training ni no e de abre nia e pese e kan se Asapo radia onim nipa bia akoma mu na onim nia kotoko hiano onfa saadi wi so na obi osromo fensre na ohwie nchira emfen wi eso amen said e be ya ade wi se no ma e de ahonden ne nimdie ene nkan kosronko e be ba Kumasi Asante kotoko ti pedamase se monya
Etia no ye command Dr. Prosper na Teogum ebo mo de etimi edira agwamia ye kakra na bishop hwe ne kakra ma na honorable Nilan Tevanderpool edin komo edi afa the Ghana Football Association kwanya ye fa so asisi aye run ye football no na enti kakra.
When it comes to our teams, the men and the male or the boys, unfortunately, we continue to live on past glory and we are suffering. You just made a conclusion and assertion that for the past 3 years, our fortunes have dwindled. Yes, why won't it dwindle? We are doing the same countdown management style. We wait. Then when there's a tournament coming up, when there's a qualifying series coming up, then we assemble players and then we play. Then possibly sometimes we qualify until we are doing good. No. Look, the 2016, 2010, those players were nurtured and developed. The moved from under 17 to under 20 to mid-tiers and to Black Stars. Not all of them, but some. When it comes
Etiano, ye command you up on the area to ya. Uti oka. Your football no city see and dada na she knew assassin. The time no so near Baba Wobo and air tons free players. They were qualified in affairs. Team a year koye but all the total and maybe 2006 on the bar. Your 4 month kakra or money nani na mua under 17 under 20 under 23 bonu realm of Black Stars in your bar. A major man in your dinner say dear Mr. Dada na she do assassin. The new coma crabishon rana apostle rana me call it.
I
don't also come me no nya.
No.
So why ko say comfortable? And the case come on the omuko tax na edit aden. Say it mean kawa say it mean kawa we are there. Now ntimi ka now ka say now
on see you ba kopa abu e say o jama dey
yako
abu ensem no obeka no 1 million times so far as individual interest above the corporate interest of the whole nation no it won't work ono wa koka se conforce call opa koka 1 billion and 1 times so far as personal interest nansi an ye betina hanum ne bedi nkomo about under 20 ekobon or Ivory Coast meboa ye kofa Burkina Faso for team de buy the number of under 17 players no mo ba Cape Coast Stadium beboye and we are part of the under 20 of the Burkina Faso national team
Sompa Sports
yehu ha ye dat to Ghana ho de no completely different kind of players na any romo that particular under 20 tournament anka ene fe no so no ye bo wafu under 17 wo Cape Coast wie ye no ke ni so ade hunu nyina na ye say at least ye ko Ivory Coast for wafu under 20 no ye nya kra no Kenya players be 4 and 5 e that particular setup mu aye de ko any new players na dey omokoye
new players na dey omokoye
yanko e justify o pram amfre batch be 5 or 6 or 7 ye kan ekosi sei you see kasa na doso iti na me kasa won wan kasa comfortable ko kasa na doso football people now moto about if you think someone is not having a proper way or structure to help us to develop Ghana football you vote him out you bring in somebody obetima baba ye adwuma ni pa ba no amana it's about clear line of direction. Abu Asana make an what say?
Matthias here.
You see, the government plays a role no matter what in elections. The government, about FA elections, I will play a big part in it. Not directly, but indirectly, they play a major role in who becomes who. And way free, you're penny back one maybe not the Minister of Sports. And I'm a boy, youth and sports. On the kofa, Sikasembi by a crab last time, Sikasemiente so. A kofan to kwa between or no. And the question at some point in time. So if you feel we have a clear direction or a plan or a developmental way a person Ghana football city call in terms of moving from step 1 to step 2 if someone is not ready to follow that particular kind of line or project you vote him out or you find a way to put that particular person out na di pana wa na adwe so beboa Ghana football team atumpo no yetimi aye kasa na ya don so ya kasa
Sompa Sports
ya ba na ekwo hu tintini Ghana football say but you can we am ba kwato aba na abo ma sa kwato ma nipa kro na without any developmental plan or even any direction sa na de to man ni mu I don't know minim de enye yentimi nkotu ni mfa ni mfiri so untimi kwa chechire ni nsamfa ni ngu ni search say openyi kete yes raw by force you say untimi kwa chechire ni nsamfa ni ngu nachi action speaks louder than words action no is speaking like when you cry na wa mo cry na tax almost say are you responsible for your duties kwampo ebe monitor say be you accountable for the corner why no we don't even do that ye kasama Ghanaians all right ye jinamuma Ghanaians all right but abu me adrum pepper so I feel say action speaks louder than words from top hierarchy from the government to the FA someone needs to be accountable for something very serious am I a football no egu in terms of your national team levels someone needs to be accountable I was see a team chiri catch obi say ade na wo ye ene ko person e fa so e de Ghana football na enye no na anam so let Ghanaians all know ni nya tata amanfo achi yesu so ana yete fie no se obi ka wansem ana so ma me ka wansem na abufu a the next no be ka che on ye se me pe wasem nti na me ka wasem
yes
and me pe wasem nti na me teneteno but we still have same people within this particular terrain still na no mo komo power se san ko betimi asesa ne o ma aka bia bi wom no no mo gusu so ne o ma ekoso ama Ghana football no eba fom afi ni yesu sa under 17 ye ni proper track record of promoting players from one stage to another afi ni yesu all of these things they knew one another afi ni yesu we could not correct the wrongs kasana na eguso the next interview about the same thing be abeka the same thing they will say the same thing kasana do so do muna mo ka bi ewo muna mo nkra na bia mo ye action na be papa chen kasa no e do so do mo mre duru ye no you could have started something better mo mre ni duru ye no ka metima hye bibia se ye
eno ye heaven for there no
so on abu ni latevan na po be minister of youth and sports
dinimre so na cause o mo
nimre no so san ko betima start bibia hye ho kena
baro anye hwe
push for a certain agenda ma bibia timi establish agina want me one push am na ita afi na be ka wan na be
nem penso na cause o ye bibi
no kasa na ya do so do uwo mu no na kwa ya action wo ya action na wo wia na wo action wo ye na ho bi say ene yete anu ma ye kasa 5 years developmental plan ye body bi a hwan ye body din
Uncle Ben Kofi.
Yet in body because he forced and pushed it sebe day.
Ozo also buy obekun ya ma bonuses yet tetezo. Say no so ye ono so na you giant.
Se bonuses na nye ho asem na ye kan sisi.
Is there a couple years one
some passports.
The person so why you be.
Nkomo de buy na ye kan wasem.
Sa.
Nkomo de buy and we feel like a sikasem kwa na problem de buy the national team abu. Some of the players now apostle the can say if you look at UT players now ben now team komodi no mudi what they go to tournaments and they see the lavish life I am penny phobia mudi ball na chiko hwebi no e leave you honum now mo players na team question was ye na e bebo ball na mo na mo yesi omo heard the lavish life e bi mo believe no mo ni say no scanner wo see esu etimi ye dey etimi agbi di kan. It is one of the problems of the national team and such as said the ACT case transitional phases is another problem of the national team. But I believe said the basis and the foundations of it no kono ne shaase wo no ne mre no so a e bia kasa mre ne kia tra ba bia ka e bia ka ekoso akeye
Mate be up yeah that dey do na coach
oh na no meduana answer for mo be din kunim da
okay first signing na why
well wa
first signing la me
my chance to say drop. My chance is that drop. Here tea no, abebo green tea. I don't know. Send my brother on this year and this is this me juice na me dibi sauce.
Na de koye dey.
Me de koto Honda CR-V no.
Oh okay.
Na de me pen menya. Audio money.
Oh okay.
Tino kano. Me share na this is in there. Win amia.
Okay. We tie Benny.
The man say Honda CR-V no, but we know. Say no mumbe boy.
Okay.
Tino me the master me down.
Only one same dime.
Only me also only Jeff Moyer because Ferrari no. I say give you a man
some passports.
Okay.
Yes, I dey near Damam.
Ebebam.
I was say bem because I'm mad there. 31st December no am sanka. And then I make
what's about date you?
Damam.
What's that for we dem say wali adio.
No, asa na me mad there.
How bad there was our date?
Tino. Me Damam.
Oh okay, Martin.
Wadarma. Me Jesus na sika no a person contribute to be afama kremo.
Okay.
Ehun hia pa Tino. We are for away no mobile money no now for call cinema ho na ko je approve abra na enfan to so before I obey approve and make sure so no the card in the aba thank you
only all the time ni so nyina to card
me hia ka no me hia
okay ya kwe
ani brise mo
ya ko
bo no mo ye no e amanfo dachi na mo ye no nka yen meka bi
some passports
mo fa sia no pay e mo kra me to ye wani wani ne kontinti nyina no e yen kra bi da chinti o Moi, football phobia, I shall my boss or Modumbeco US and Timontina WhatsApp platform so any deep and you atem. Monkey Caddy in him. Munchan Toronto, Confoso, Mundidio Matem like verbal assault. Hey, I been quite a more sunny and crown. Echina. You are the chain.
No crap.
Sir, uncross small boys be me. Oh, how boss will be the deal be at them, me can't be because me and brother about me to me. A da ube who send me the Ubia Bessie here dinner temno. Wow, hear me, wow, Timmy Biano. I just said, my sister, I call Jessica, and I'm a bit in the panatem. Me gummy moving, sabi my dream, and me yat and change, and I'm this cash me team, and I make a young woodman. Faso be any so. Timo, my dream will say, some did opponents be at them say, oh, project look, the deal be at them, and never mind, do I call US and Ibino, call apply visa, no be en few. The US kakra person continue, so deal be at them. Akomia me offer senate here. Kate mu me Congress na senate dey no kan no.
Awe ogade.
Upo be game changer.
Whether you like it or not. Bro, for you, whether you like it or not, you be a game changer.
So what you say Kate o shami o twema. So what dream? Me a truthful say make say me no problem. I don't have a problem with him. He speaks to me a lot. Kate Okraku.
No man who you who no.
I said, that's one thing about Kate Podono.
Sompa Sports.
Also, he said, when you claim say higher territory, he likes to venture it.
No crown or ban kama.
Yes, I know. Yes, I know. And who share election last election before that, or the be a judge.
Exactly.
People areas that how dare say Kate Beram Mr. Answer.
Yeah. But he tried.
Yeah, and he succeeded in some way.
And some be oha. Yeah, can't. Yeah, want to move. Now no fight.
Mo ko takwan. O invite na uncle. Baby I want to know say come
me ni bonko mo na me kura bibi. Tina was oh me ne ka oh. Bi so obi a
no. Say me quite sorry.
Look, I who here say Friday no truffle me mo di because of faso bi ani hu so me ko bo di on radio papa say so. O me to Friday no na o ma sending a message say me koye meeting, campaign meeting with George Free on cry. Mr. Sumi Poem, me chief of staff, me say me kwaye park academy ni Burkina Faso. Timothy Park and so no be come picture send ma obi e won cry.
The meeting no.
Ena ni pakro no forward the man. Friday na you no we fam say no be I see me meeting won cry no mete West Coast eh den. I'm jo. Me bank kan say me bank kan be operation me background. You see, we are trying to groom human beings who have reason. I'm not going to pay Kajejino. Now, say me see form. Now, me go share Coach Galaxy ne Kajeji Football Club for me Division 3. Sabi, me know atemba Kajeji kwawa. I feel na be free Kajeji aba kwame danso. Every kwame danso afa kwa phone so aba tebu. Now, only one fa half is moonwe.
No one for more.
But in Krano more Kajejino, they also have a dream. But we a footballer. Or player winger papa power mama qualify for Division 2. A kind so the moon number 2 Kofi Jan Force so team this boy is a footballer. Oh. So unko na oni omunko didi nkomo mi so say ball no mo buy dey mo back because national team ni affair you. Bakwaku we mo no dreams na valid ana.
Valid.
Omo ni Ghana card.
Omo ye Ghana for.
Omo nye Ghana for.
Omo ye Ghana for kroje.
Kajeji for no kra fi ona so ko nsuo no akrobe fa kabonya na kojo krom. Omo ti nsuo no voter lake no kra no so dream is valid.
Yes.
Nipa obema sa dream na bem ya mu football for no. Ye the national team amam. Mo nye ni ye. O ko esco but wo ye national team management committee member no. Ya ban Ghana. Didn't you kind of was on Kafa for. We are school member wako AFCON under 23 mobile when you see minister timaba Congress abeka say mo dwuma ma anye ni yenti na nkra ne bisa ska no enye mo ni
sports
hey mo no ball no tene mo ye no enye mo tan on enye mo ni wu election ba kwa mo koye ahase ye ma Eugene Kofifa paper Eugene Noble kofa paper so on koji endorsements in free clubs so me ameka wa
yes
omo ko file man ka say RF for na be ko file RF for ko forms no ya frefre mu nyina okosa me to so frefre ma teams ni nyina mu meta machi ene omo maka den ti na amanfo be person mo jijiji din bi fi amanfo by force ene ya say mo de ko election register election ba kwa president aye na dwuma yi a omo jidi ma passe obe win elections aden kra na mo bresa adwuma den aketa ye game changing initiative catch them young policy league sponsorship aba bet power park pram ye g fencing pram ye bo ade no ye ko world cup ya qualify afcon ye bo Ghana ye de ye kwa ye ba Ghana inti na mo ko gigi amanfo din by force ye mfa din ma mo mbanya ne club una bi anya asem ono na dwen no se ne city no hwe yi obetumtuo me no nche se wakofa tuo no mum asem obeka no agigbem
ma apostle mrama
yes sem football for ye pamo chopi monya no boko anila antevana boy national team asem me atade blasters ombe shemali home na we
I was bram na me fa ma
from Lina. I think that yes me me former boss already good. Yeah, so and a very good friend. Oh yeah, that's New York as MP that's the way is. Or position B over the years. Say for saying Colano no open collar ball. And Colano yen titi omo makwenya no mumfa through the process. And through Ushe Ghana Krapwa in the past, time your coach here very strong. Abedipele is a coach player. We have great coast teams in the past are producing a lot of top players. Abu Muro, ni Bobo Chabedipele.
Abu Muro.
Oh, please. Abedipele master, I don't know. But we are so we've had great players. Mafatu Yako, Tamana Coast, yeah. Unfortunately, and we've not been able to develop well and invest into coast football. So, Oka, 1993. You're under 20. 1993, you're under 20. Okay. We are Emmanuel Duya. This is our national team.
Yeah.
Enya Mohamed Gago, our national team.
Yes.
Odatilant, our national team.
Yes.
Sami Kufa, our national team.
Yeah.
Siki Akona, captain national team.
Yes.
They were product of Augustine for our national team.
Oh boy.
They were product of the under 20. And yet we are good at that. Product of 1993 under 20, you lose it to Brazil. Courtesy Yan.
Sompa Sports.
And to share Sanko from a born national team chair. The next time I hear a group of those players, Sule Muntarimu, and Derek Batumuni Makalisimu, John Mensah, John Spencer Razak Bimpomu, Emmanuel Papomu 2000 Afrani, and look at how many years on the born national team chair. So you have it always right. Say Colano passed through the process. Now promote your mona ye cut tournament crash sometimes na ebi anfa. Oh, tanker director, Papa. What you do, you monitor the progress work of those players. Those mad cows there, tell them to stop the nonsense. Now, very, very important. Say, as a nation, we have benefited for this thing. And because of that, no, anytime we get it right. But for Asian lack of commitment to the national team, but Asian, the way I rise, how many years ago? Years. Look at Siki Akono. So for Ghana, no, any news to us. But yan edu baby a person one. Ya first sika pe any yami person minkunya the expense of the national teams. Because national team yeah, Sebio, far junior teams are. I don't see why Albert Trank and movie called Kumasipe. We have players all over the nation in the past. The reason why your coaches in the past and your players almost across the nation. Players will be able to come more crown, so players going to be your mind. But then your skill will be a narrow be your friend national call up, you have only about 5 clubs. Sebiu, Ghana, from youth, up under 17, and from coast teams to many other clubs in this country, only 4, only 10, only 15, only 50. There are more than 200. Uber Division 3, same. Uber Division 1. So why is it that your friend national team, the collab will be skewed to certain few? That is what the problem is. And until I decide to say a bed when it comes to collab, any selection, we'll continue to suffer such heart attacks at original level. That is what Nante is talking about. You ain't ready to say a best sign. Be a bad by a big good because there are players, someone in Bobo, they be American Chastela. Who discovered him? He came to Accra because he was a Shushan boy. Only the types of the Chancellor Mugu Krasi Bibre. Tori Jibril, Senya has Kanemu Nedinibaya. How many people have discovered him? Katafo and Pro. We have several quality players, almost one cross, some opportunity. But the MBM selection, MBM money and Cassia, you mind no dachi, say players in Babe Fad national team, no, now players ebe go through the process, everybody kunya kwa but Timia making sure say almost platforms na the moment no. The national team will suffer all the time because every national team yanko enko conjure magic enko unyami over the and through these processes at the junior level.
About the bar for them na men so 55 on any way. Men first man no more. 0551931931 0548931931 Odiane baby Alfrefi. Yes sir.
Me want channel pay.
Hey Jozo.
India cocos were in them catch a few years.
We are going
to pay me more about to take a good bunch of Bojma. Now, me children for John, I'll create 2020 Parliament channel. Now, let the dark and Pierre and Boss on to Parliament channel. That's a couldn't get a cushion with a for the boy. Now, me again, I'm a DF to follow you and say, International World Cup for a quiet day. The Papa I am in the National Pasu. Or make me find a picture back. The about from the John Raku of Bremen. She only says how my Tamun and Kuala Bossobola. Course, you do not. The may have that's on the idea. Come on.
Mate, Merasipa, Diani baby Alfrefi.
Yes,
Robert, you go.
Mr. Abubakar, yes.
Me way pa.
Mamicha, I'm good at it, Tony, on a good Jamie. Mr. Abubakar, I do it. I am a kind of one Christian Yabim. Come up, Mr. Kubayano. The Pajo, it's not a person, a prison, and I'm a boy.
Annie.
Aha, and to obey India. You know, do the football, I'm not here with you. And do to say, I'm not catch us out here as a Ghana football. It is a I say, young 4 years to come. Ghana football, Mr. Abu, often into my profile.
Mate, Medal, so Diani baby Alfrefi.
Yaku Jakarta new.
Oh, senior bro, senior me Joe.
Yaku, I don't pay me raho.
What
over college pay good Kuma, in your chance to be a momo. I are a Hosem. The Ghana for 40 or more year, almost say. Well, I could say football business, so let's say Yamabua, now you're football about where Bushima. He has here to